Good morning, Tradeify Nation. Welcome back to another London session stream. Happy Monday, guys. July 27th today. Damn, where did this month go? Honestly, this month has just flown past. We're almost in August, which is wild. But happy Monday. Hope everyone's ready to lock in for a big week this week. More green weeks, more green streaks ahead of us. Let's focus. Let's be disciplined this week. Let's get payouts, get funded, the drill. But yeah, I hope you guys have been crushing it. If you did trade the Asia session, overnight session, if there's any trades to go over later on, we will go over that. I haven't taken a trade yet, but if you guys have been in anything so far, you'll have to let me know. But first, let me say good morning. Good morning, AST. Good morning, Bilal. Good morning, Miss Kitty. Good morning, Prajit. Good morning, Zara, Enter, Cat Young, Legacy, Adam. Good morning, good morning, good morning, Chad, Krista, Cape Town, Laurencia. Who else? Andy Wills, Angia, Yannick's. The gang is here. Good morning to you all. I hope you guys all had a great weekend as well. Everyone's rested, but everyone is now focused. Everyone's ready to lock in. It's a normal 3-hour session ahead of us. So everyone lock in and let's get straight into it. So this is NQ as usual, guys. I will break down what I'm looking at on the charts, and then you guys can let me know whether you're in trades, what kind of trades you've been looking at. If you took anything in Asia as well, let me know. But for now, looking at the day already, how we've opened. So we've had a new week opening gap form from the Sunday 6 p.m. open. So that is now a nice draw on price that I would expect us to draw back into. So this gap forms from the daily open there, sitting at what price is that? 28,500 is where we opened. So a significant gap up here from where we last closed on Friday. And so now this gap is something that I will be aiming for price to short and sell off into. For now, it's just a matter of trying to time that, but that is definitely a draw I'm looking at. Why did I just label it like that? Let's just delete that. But yes, that is something I'm definitely staring at on my chart. Whenever we have a new week opening gap, it is something that we're likely to see price draw back into, at least to fill the gap before continuing off in its direction, wherever we're heading on NQ. So before that though, before I want to take any shorts today, right now we have these two relatively equal highs. You've got previous day highs sitting at 28,736, and you have this Asia high level, or also previous spiral high, sitting at 28,733. So they're just a few points in difference. They are relatively equal. And so for that is a clean area that I would expect us to trade up into, sweep out these levels, and then sell off there to have a rejection of those equal highs. That's something as well that we tend to see on NQ as well, when there is lows or highs that are too close together, that are just almost equal but not quite. Those are levels where price does tend to draw back to before then heading in its direction. So I'm looking for something if that didn't make sense to all of you, I'm looking for a move up first to take out these relatively equal highs, and then a sell into a level like this, which is our new week opening gap. So that kind of manipulation and then distribution back into this zone here, the gap that we've created from the week's opening. Daily, how did we close? So this is obviously a very bearish close here from Friday's day. I'm trading, we closed below the low. So like I said, if we were going to wick in these areas, that would give me more of an indication that we were going to be heading higher back into this bullish run that we've been in for quite a while. But seeing as we have closed below lows, this is now market structure shift again to the downside. So I do expect more bearish price action. You've got some stocks that are dragging this down, like Google, and I think Tesla's still down. So there are reasons why NQ is still down, and I'm just not even going to be trying to fight that. I'm just going to continue with this bearish move that we're having right now. As well as that, you can see on the daily, just above previous day high there is a gap that we should be trading into. So that aligns with everything I'm watching on NQ on the lower time frame as well. So we should get that sweep of previous day high, which would take out the two relatively equal highs. It should tap into a bearish daily gap. So if we can tap into this gap, reject, that would be a clean move. We also have no wick obviously on that daily candle right now, because all we did was just shoot up from that open. So I am expecting a bearish move based on all of that in today's price action, but we just have to wait and see. Right now, there has been a sweep of previous 4-hour high. So that is usually what I'm waiting to see before I get into a short, but we'll see. We'll see because there are those relatively equal highs. So I am just going to be patient today. Don't want to rush into anything on a Monday. But yeah, if you guys took sells in Asia clean, if you guys got this 4-hour 15 inversion move, that would have been a nice sell to be in. From that level, how many points was that? Oh, just a nice 180 point move in Asia. I mean, that would have been a nice trade to be in. And then we kind of just chopped around since then. So we'll see. Maybe we can get a clean move like that. Pre-London, in London, whenever. I'm ready. All right. What are you guys saying? Good morning. So then what time do you have your Asia range start and finish? So for me, I just have the kill zone. So that's why you just see this blue box. It goes from 7 p.m. to midnight Eastern time. Thank you, contract killer. We have that 4-hour fair value gap along with the daily fair value gap above. Yes, absolutely. I've drawn out the daily gap. That is something I'm definitely interested. I've got to make this gap smaller. That is definitely what I'm interested in getting taken out first. So this gray box above, let's just remember that is our daily FVG. So that's where I expect us to sweep these relatively equal highs, tap into a bearish high time frame gap. This would all form an A+ short and then wait for that momentum shift to the downside. Let's see what London brings. Yep, we are still 50 minutes from even seeing London open. So for now, we're getting a bit of a move, a continuation of this bullish move in the Frankfurt Open. Andrea says, good morning, Celine and chart addicts. Happy start of the week. Happy start of the week to you, Andrea. Hope you had a great weekend. Chris Stevens, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Stock market blueprint, scalped a few longs. Cool. I mean, I can definitely see that. Definitely see how some people would be buying in this. I would have these highs as my targets because right now we don't have any sign of slowing down. Rios wins the medal for today. Good morning. What is that indicator for your levels? Rios, I know that you're not new here, so I'm pretty sure you're trolling at that point. But just in case, for anyone else, there are 2 indicators that I use on my chart, and the one that shows my key levels is this one here, sessions and key levels. And I just have it printed right now to show me Asia high and low, previous day high and low, current daily open, all of that, sweeps, etc. It's all done in this free indicator. So go and get it. It's really good. Here we go, NQ. NQ making a move to those highs. I might actually sit on a higher time frame today just because it makes it a bit more clear. There we go. Rios says, sorry, I always wanted to ask. You're not sorry, Rios. I know you're not. Sitting along from 556, about to take target at 739. 556, nice entry. Damn. Towards the lows here in the Asia session and then still in this trade. Very clean long. EC Trust is new here from Las Vegas. Welcome. Welcome to Tradeify TV if you're chilling in Vegas. I love that. I've always wanted to go to Las Vegas. Andrea says, went to reconnect with nature after all this crappy summer PA. What about yours? Oh, for real. I had a not so bad week. Ended up continuing on this green streak that I've been seeing on the funded and ended up passing some evals on the Friday. So it was a good end to the week. What did I do on the weekend? Yesterday, I spent the day at the beach. Saturday I went out for dinner. Went into the city, had to buy some things for the house. Again, it's always house stuff. But yeah, yesterday was at the beach like pretty much all day. Really nice. Dat boy Mario, how did you get the 50-minute high along with the time frame indicator? 50-minute high. What? I think you're talking about, so there are two indicators. The other one is printing, the one that's printing the 15-minute high and the 4-hour high is my own indicator. That's probably the levels you're seeing there. Because I have these switched to 4-hour and 15 because those are the two levels that I'm interested in seeing, my timeframes that I need to see swept. So that's those levels. And then the other ones are printed by sessions and key levels, the other indicator. That makes sense. All right, well, we are close to those highs, but not actually sweeping them yet. So I'm staying patient. Stock market blueprint. Do you prefer to hold trades for longer duration or short scalps? I'm in the middle. So I'm not a swing trader. I won't say I am. I will, but I'm also not like in and out of the market within a minute. Like I'm not actually scalping. I would be 15 minutes, 20 minutes seems to be the average these days. Depends. Sometimes in the New York session, I can grab like a quick trade, be in and out within 5 minutes, but that's because the New York session obviously has the volume. And if I just happen to be on the right side, sometimes in New York, I can have a really quick trade. But normally in London session, the way it is, it's around 20 minutes average. Prince and Mia trades as ES SMT high swept. All right, let's watch that because Friday, there was some clean longs that I did not take. That was the other thing I did this weekend, actually. I went and looked back at those trades from Friday that I hesitated in. So there you have it. There is a sweep on ES and not on NQ. So that is currently an SMT. So I do have to watch out for that. But Friday, there was a clean trade, a clean opportunity to take longs, but I hesitated because we had SMT and I didn't think it was as strong as waiting for previous day low sweep. So I wanted previous day low swept. I set it, I waited, I hesitated, and then price just ran. So I still managed to get into the longs and took like 80 points or something. It was a really good London session on Friday. But still, that hesitation to get in because I was so wanting a certain level to be swept is the reason I missed out on more of the market, which is annoying. But looking back, I think just taking the trade because SMT was there isn't enough. Like I really needed a key level to be swept. And at that point, previous day low was just too close. So I am still, the decision I made not to enter it, I'm happy I still took that because 9 times out of 10, that's still going to serve me better. Because SMT is never a reason to enter the trade. It helps. It definitely helps, but it shouldn't be like, oh, there's an SMT, I'm going to go short here. Like we need more. And considering we have the daily FVG above that we could draw into and the relatively equal highs here, I'm just going to wait. I'm going to wait for this. Let's see. You're going to be waiting for long. Thought it was going to sweep it for Asia. It didn't. Well, we'll see. If it does start to make a real like intensive bearish move, then yes, I will have to reconsider. But for now, we're still chilling. We haven't really gone too far. Looks like a bit of a pullback. But yeah, you definitely can see how there is SMT. If anyone doesn't know what that is, you can see how Asia high has been taken on ES and on NQ it hasn't. Juan Lagos says, Trader Colleen, rejection of the 28,900 or 29K would make the perfect short. Well, yes, that kind of would. If we were going all the way up to 29,000, but I am happy to short any other time before then. Basically, as soon as we're trading into this bearish daily gap, I'm happy to take sales out of there. Also, like clean sell in the Asia session there. That would have been nice. Kyle, hi Celine, how are you doing? I'm doing good. I love Mondays. Mondays are the best day of the week. Back to the charts, able to trade again because 2 days off is too long. But no, I'm having a great start to the week. That Asia sell-off was sweet. Juan Lagos, did you take it? I'm jealous. Nice trade. Clean. And yeah, Mondays are the best. Refresh weekend and back to slay. Back to slay. I like that. Back to destroy NQ. But who's in trades? Who is in trades this morning? Wickrate says, good morning, Celine. Any advice I'm $18 away from a 5K payout. I'm not really feeling good to take a trade. Not sure why. I know exactly why, because you're probably not a fan of these markets. And to be $18 away, you are so close. I would not be doing anything stupid. Nothing like just entering a trade because of, just to take one because you're so close. Because that $18 can turn into $180, can turn into $1,800, so quickly. So, I mean, you're close, but that's no reason to change anything up. That's what I would say. Like, you've obviously done some great trading over the past however long it's taken to get to a 5K payout. So just continue that. You only need literally one trade, not even a full trade. You probably only need like a few points. So like I would not be rushing anything. $18 seems so close, but it can be so far as well if you just take something stupid. So you're almost there, but don't change anything. Just take your A+ setups. Take them with small size. Don't be risking anything crazy when you're $18 away. Doesn't mean you just enter a mini and try it, because that mini can just go in the opposing direction and you can end up really red. So take it slow. Trade a micro at max. Trade a micro, and at $2 a point, you literally only need like 10 points. So just try to time that with your A+ setups, and that's what I do. Yep. Okay, it says just risk small on a good setup. That's exactly it. Risk small, but take an A+ setup. Paul Profits, hi. Good morning, Paul Profits. Better check with Hannah. Moncarlo says, hi, Celine, what is the plan? The plan today is really to wait for these relatively equal highs to be swept. That being swept, so we've got the Asia high and the previous day high here, sitting at previous day high is that 28,736 level. Once we get a sweep of those highs, we'll also be tapping into a daily bearish gap. So that's an A+ short for me. So I would be doing that any day of the week. I'm waiting for that. And then we obviously have this huge new week opening gap from the open here. So that's a level that I'm hoping to trade back into, short into, so we fill the gap. And that's the play today. Fill the gap. Trade into the gaps and then trade out of the gaps into another gap. It's all gaps. Lalana trades. Celine, what days look no trade day for you? Well, these days, it doesn't really look like that. Like every day I'm on stream, I'm pretty much taking a trade every single day. What I do is just grade the setups, because some days it's not as clean, and that's when we have a really small volume session, or when Asia has already had like a massive expansion. It doesn't feel like always London session wants to go up and sweep and then have like a reversal kind of session, because Asia has already expanded so much. Sometimes then that becomes a very consolidating London session, and for me that doesn't help when I'm trying to take reversal at like extreme levels at highs of sessions. So whenever there's consolidation in London, or whenever we don't have like clean targets, like if there's not like a high time frame gap that we're trading out of, that kind of thing, I will be just trading evals. You'll just see me trading evals on here. I will always say it, guys, I'm trading minis, but this is an eval account, because that's when I'm not as trusting of the move. And yeah, those are kind of my no trade days. But in saying that, I stream every single day, so you'll see me take trades every day. It's just more like I grade them A+, B+, B, and those kind of B+, B trades are the ones I'm taking on evals, and they're kind of my no trade days. By no trade, I mean no trade on the fundeds. Pata Bernardo, how are you, Celine? I am great. Thank you everyone is asking how I am today. I'm actually doing amazing. Had a really great day chilling out at the beach yesterday. Had time to reflect also on my trades over the weekend from this week. I am currently still on a green streak on these funded accounts, so we're good. We'll see what price action does today, though, because you can never be riding that high for too long when it comes to trading. There's got to be a red day in there. I wait for NQ to previous day high. ES is in a good premium of the big down leg. Yes, ES has already taken that Asia high. You can see that NQ hasn't, so that's something to consider if any of you are already looking to go short. I mean, there is already an SMT there with ES. This is the same thing that happened Friday. I am just more liking the shorts if we do get into those highs and this daily fair value gap, which is just so close. We're so close. We'll see. Constance says, no wonder why you're not yawning, Celine. Actually, you'd be surprised. I did not have the best sleep. I was in bed really late, super late. I was packing because I'm actually going on a road trip after stream today. So I will be streaming to you guys from a different location for the next few days, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So I was up packing. I left it all last minute, of course. So I actually maybe had like 6 hours. So I'm a little tired, but no yawning so far, which is good. Cognito, good morning from Berlin. Sling, quick question. Any reason why your Asia session starts at 7 p.m. and not 8 p.m.? That is the kill zone hours that ICT has put forward. So those are the hours that I take for my kill zone hours. So 2 to 6 London and Asia 7 or 8 to midnight. I'm pretty sure it's 7. Good morning. Good morning. Obed Victor says Green Monday. Let's do it. I mean, there's nothing worse than starting a week on a red day. So yes, hell yes, it's a Green Monday. Everyone loves a Green Monday. What is the like goal for today? Good question. I should check what we had it on Friday. One moment. What did we say? Oh, that's my packing list. All right, on Friday we had 425. So I'm going to say 430 likes today to bring Nick on and 580 likes for the first giveaway. I need to write that down because I will forget. 430 for Nick. He's getting more expensive in terms of likes. There was a time I used to ask you guys for 300 likes. No, it's now 430 likes to bring Nick on and 580 likes for the first giveaway. And until then, there will be nothing. Also, remember, we might want to pin that in the chat just so people can remember. So they don't have to ask me all the time. Anyone looking for gold shorts, says Fuji. Let's have a look. Let's have a look, shall we? Gold. Nothing for me yet. Potentially, yes, we've just retested daily open. There is previous 4-hour low, Asia low, and this entire gap from the new week opening gap as well on gold. So similar price action to NQ here where we've opened and we have just gapped up. So like I am definitely liking the shorts, but I don't have like an A+ setup in that yet. The A+ setup would for me would be to long out of this gap. So I'll wait for that. So NQ is having a bit of a little drop here. Nothing for me to get involved with yet. There hasn't been a setup. So we'll wait. Oh, awesome. Thanks, Roman. So there it is. It's pinned in the chat. No one has to ask me anymore. 430 likes to bring Nick, 580 for the giveaway. Clippy with a case is free short, time to relax. All right. You guys are already in shorts? Cool. Love it. 24 minutes into the Frankfurt Open and you guys are already in trades. I'm not going to take this yet for reasons I have gone over. I'm waiting for that sweep. And if it wants to drop as well, I'm not going to be late because there is an entire move to short. Like there's this whole Asia range and also the gap. So there's heaps of room to the downside. I can definitely find another setup if we don't end up sweeping and we just keep dropping here. One like us clean. Do you listen to ASMR? Do you have a fave trigger? I actually don't. No. Do you? Is that something you guys do? Axe Benzer, you have just got yourself banned from a giveaway. We haven't even started yet. He literally just asked, where is the form? Ghost in the Machine says, can I get a free account from Tradeify? Well, if you join the giveaways, there is a chance. I mean, I, on my personal account, gave away 4 50k select evals yesterday. So, I mean, you just have to join the giveaways. Ghost Trade says, no, welcome to the club. I bought 550k select evals. Let's go, Ghost Trades. Welcome to Tradeify. Get those to a payout. Select accounts are goated. One Lucker says, yeah, ASMR Bakery. I recommend you try it. It helps with the vibes and focus. What is ASMR Bakery like? Joseph Hasteline, if I miss the A+ setup, how do I identify the setup to ride the move? Would I use the fib tool? I would just wait for the next A+ setup. So what I'm saying is, if I had a trade in here towards the highs and I missed it for whatever reason, I wasn't at the charts, I would just wait for the next time price, because theoretically, we shouldn't just sell off and dump all the way down. The way I trade is I wait for a sweep first in the 15-minute, and then I get into the distribution on the 1 minute and take a short in that. So if there is just an entire dump of here, like hundreds of points, and that's another story. I don't think it's going to do that. But if I miss the initial sell-off here, I'm waiting for that next price to like pull back, and then I should get a setup in this, and then I should be able to continue down. So I'm waiting for the pullbacks. I'm not using a fib tool in that. Sling, go do 10 push-ups. Well, Jane Bangs, I am not in a trade yet, so that can wait. For sure, I'm not just going to do push-ups for the sake of it. Indicator only for London session? No, indicator does print. Like here's a setup that was caught by the indicator in Asia session. It's just that I never back tested, so I only trade it in the London session, sometimes in New York, but I don't have stats or data behind how this runs in other sessions. That's the only reason why I'm not really using it there. But as you can see, sometimes it will play out. Like that is a clean. If we go back, bar replay. You had previous 15-minute high sweep, previous 4-hour high had already been swept, and then you've just got the inversion. The inversion on the 1 minute, which signals that there is a bearish momentum, and that is the point that price could be reversing from. So that is why I would have been short in that. And then really I would have taken off. I mean, yeah, I probably would have taken off at this low here. The initial where we had consolidation to begin with before this move up, I would have targeted here. But did not trade that. So now we'll wait for a London setup. Giannis, can you share settings? Yes, these are the settings I use. Oh, what is going on with my... Excuse me, NQ. Has anyone seen that? Oh, my trading view is glitching out. Chat, I literally can't even click on my... Oh, there we go. I don't know what's going on. Trading view didn't want me to show my indicators to you guys. So yeah, these are my settings. I use a minimum. I look for a minimum FVG size of 1 point. I only enter within the first 10 minutes, and I don't have a minimum stop loss set anymore. That's just 0. Yeah, and then you can enter your risk settings here depending on how much you want to risk. It's 1,000. You put 1,000. It's $20 a point on NQ, so that's set to 20, and then that's it. Then it'll help with your contract sizing as well. There's SMT, right? So should we wait for NQ to take the Asia high? There is SMT. So for some people, this is a reason to be entering the short, because we have had SMT with ES. So at that point for me, it's still not clean enough, because there is 2 relatively equal highs above. So I'm still expecting that to get taken first before we make a significant move down. So I'm waiting. I'm waiting for the shorts. Some people could be already in this. There is a daily bearish gap above, and all of these things considered, that relative equal highs and the daily bearish gap, I'm waiting for that level to get swept into first. Celine, how much percentage of your drawdown do you risk per trade? And Zal, I risk around 10%. Did not give away your Celine indicator, Celine. Why? Love this pre-market manipulation lower. I hopefully want to have a manipulation higher first, and then we can drop to that gap. Would you take the long after tapping into the 30-minute FEG? No, I'm not looking for longs in this. I'm not. A plus setup in this would, because I take the reversals, would be to have it sweep the highs first and then short off that. Pulse to see if Nick's in longs. I doubt it. We're probably too high for Nick to be in longs here. He's probably looking in at a short. Pizza Johnny. Morning all. He says, yeah, I'm short here, Celine. Took it on micros though, as I'm expecting a manipulation high too, but I'm already 50% off for $200 already and have 5 left to run and break even. Awesome. That's one way to risk it. One way to manage your risk there. So, I mean, some of you can be in shorts, but if you have a way to manage this in case it manipulates high, I mean, there is nothing wrong with that. And you're sized small, like you said, Johnny, Pizza Johnny. So that's so fair. How did your pizza, did you end up getting pizza on Friday, Jonathan? I forgot. Oh, were you making pizza? Morning, Trader Mahi. Zara, of course, is like the stream, guys. Yes, that's the only way we're going to get, one, we're going to get Nick on, and two, we're going to do a giveaway. One, the first giveaway. Let's actually check how many of you are here, how many likes we should have. Let's see. Okay, well, there is almost 1,000 of you already here and only 318 likes. So do the math. That is not enough of you is liking this stream. What did I say? 580 is the first giveaway target. So we're still far away from that. Pizza Johnny says we cooked it, made our own. Hell yeah. How'd it go? I love making pizza. We burned them the first time round, but then we smashed the second attempt with the ice cream too. We ate too much. Oh, I love that. Pizza and ice cream. I had pizza on Saturday night. It was great. Lalana Trades, are you waiting for price to test the 4-hour FEG, or are you going to short it after the Asia session and previous day high sweep? Good question. I don't have the 4-hour FEG actually marked up on here. It's enough for me to just tap into the daily FEG, which is what I have marked here. So this is the daily bearish FEG that we have at the moment. And that's kind of enough for me. Yes, there is a 4-hour gap higher, but if we sweep those equal highs and then get into daily bearish gap, I will be looking for the short setup at any point after that. It'll be A+, regardless of the 4-hour tap or not. Smokey D, so right now, are you waiting for a 15-minute candle to close above Asia high and then 1-minute IFEG? No, I'm not looking for a closure above. All right, let me show you. Based on this sell from Asia session, this is a setup that I can explain to you in clear. So what we have is why this would have been a short in what this is the 4-hour candle. So 4-hour candle has swept its previous 4-hour high, which looks kind of stupid because this is the first 4-hour candle print after that opening gap. So yes, we have technically swept previous 4-hour high because we've traded above it. In saying that, then you have also no bottom wick on the 4-hour, so that's perfect because I want to be in the distribution to the downside of that candle. Then you flick down to the 15-minute chart, and I need the alignment there where there is a sweep of the previous 15-minute high. So it doesn't need to close above, it just needs to trade above and sweep. So at the moment, that's what this candle was doing. It was trading above its previous 15-minute high, and I want to get in the distribution of that 15-minute candle. So I want to be shorting after this manipulation past the previous 15-minute highs candle. So I watch closely, watching. There we go. So there is, sorry, this was actually the next 15-minute candle that opened. Make that clear. This is previous 15-minute high. So this is now, what time is that? 8 p.m. Eastern. This is the 15-minute. So you have traded up higher, candles open. We've manipulated past previous 15-minute high here. And then with that, there is the 1-minute inversion to directly follow. So that is the distribution move, manipulation, distribution. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. That is what I'm trying to trade with. So once there is an inversion there with a displaced candle, it's always cleaner. I'm looking to go short off that IFVG. Once we have that alignment, and then we also are have the previous 4-hour high sweep as well. So that's the alignment I'm looking for. Not a close, but a sweep. 4-hour is inside daily. 4-hour is inside daily. What do you mean? 4-hour is currently an inside candle. Right now we haven't swept, but I love how it's forming because there is no bottom wick yet. So it is looking nice for a sell. It's just about timing it. Not being in too early. Morning, Leah. Morning. She says, hope you're all doing great. Tuning to say hi. Still in Italy at my parents' house with no Wi-Fi and barely any reception. Haha, have a fab day. Well, I mean, sometimes I would much rather be in Italy with no Wi-Fi and just chill some days later. So enjoy that. But yeah, I'm excited to have you back in here, back on the charts, Leah, and telling us about all your oil trades. One volatile alternative says the daily FEG lines up perfectly with higher time frame fib. Beautiful A+ setup. Yep, we got to get into that daily FEG. I'm waiting. It's that gray box. What price is the low of that? The low is 28,736, is it? Yeah. So we wait. Raul says, guys, like the stream, we got to have Nick here too. Yes, we do. We need to have Nick here. Otherwise, it's not a full London gang. So make sure you're smashing the like button. We've got 20 minutes still before Nick joins us, but he will only join us if you guys smash the likes. Retro Daily says, do you always base your analysis on NQ and trade on MNQ? Always for the analysis, yes. I chart on NQ. I backtest on NQ, but when it comes to actually trading, I will switch between MNQ and NQ depending on the account I'm trading. So if it's evals, you'll regularly see me take those trades with NQs, with the minis, but then evals and then funders I will take with micros. But all charting analysis is done on NQ. Stefan saying, why don't you learn and trade with order flow footprint deep doom? Why should I? The strategy I use is pretty goated. Why should I? Leia says, oil failed me this morning. IB high broke, so I went long, and then IB low broke, so double breakout. We'll see if London gives me a setup. Oh, so you're still trading, Leia? Okay, cool. Well, I mean, that sucks, but there is always another trade. You'll get it. You'll get oil back. I know. Can the gold market open on Sundays and Saturdays from now on? I'm sure we would love to have all markets open all week for us. It's actually good that we're forced not to trade sometimes 2 days a week for us futures traders. All right, a few of you are asking what I'm expecting to see on gold. Look, gold is not my main asset. So whenever it comes to gold, I'm sort of like always a little bit more like sometimes I'm really convinced of a move on gold and it's just not what I think is going to happen at all. So right now, 4-hour candle is an inside candle. So I never like to be trading a chart that has an inside 4-hour candle. I prefer to have the sweep first and then trade with that 4-hour distribution. So right now there is nothing for me to take on gold. I know we have right now we're just above daily open there. We have previous 4-hour low and the Asia low levels very close here, relatively equal lows, and the new week opening gap. So I'd prefer to be in a short, but how I would time that is if we would sweep previous 4-hour high, go out to take Asia high first and then short off there. That would be a cleaner short for me. We're right now in the middle of Asia range. Have we retraced into 50%? Let's have a look. Almost. We're almost retracing to 50%. So there is also a bearish 50-minute gap there. So maybe that's something to watch as well. But like I said, this is nothing I'd like to be trading in yet. Nothing for me. But do watch the shorts from here. Let's see. There's a 15-minute bearish gap just in line with the 50% of the Asia high to low there. So I'd be watching that for shorts. If not, if we're going to break through, invert the 50-minute gap here, then I will look for shorts above like 4113 and 4119 on gold. All right, what are we doing in Q? No sweep at that previous 15-minute high levels, so still no entries for me. We're just chilling here. Hey, good morning, Kiz. Kiz is in the chat. My OCG impulses are still high on alert with that loan plan on one side. I know. That's my fault for not filling this space with more furniture yet. I don't know exactly what I want. I was looking at artwork on the weekend. I want like a specific canvas print now, I've decided. And I definitely feel like I need the neon light sign, but then like everyone has the neon light sign and I'm like, do I want to do that? Is it like guru vibes? Tell me, chat. If I do the neon light sign, is it guru vibes? Because that's not what we want. And then I'm like, do I get the slats? Do I get the, you know, like the slats that every other streamer has that go against the wall? I gotta work out what I want for my background. Oh, thank you, Nick. Nick in here doing the work to ban some of you because I am clearly not quick enough. Good morning, Nick. Nick is in here, chat. He's always here. He's watching you guys. He actually banned someone who was spamming that I didn't get to quick enough. So there you go. If I'm not on it, Nick will always be on it. So don't mess up in the chat today. There he is with the eyes. He's like, get the on-air neon sign. Okay, on-air could be fun. There we go. Everyone saying good morning to you, Nick. He's still got another 15 minutes. You guys still have to smash the likes. What are we at? 1.1 thousand of you here watching, right? But the likes? Oh, okay, hold on. The likes have been smashed. We do have enough likes to bring on Nick. We don't have enough for the first giveaway. We need 580. So, I mean, it's getting there. Roy says, pass my first eval on Friday. Let's go. Let's go. I also passed some evals on Friday. There was some nice moves from the New York session. He says, morning, my favorite chat. And then good morning, Celine. Well, good morning, Nick. I will deal with it that you said good morning to the chat first before you said good morning to me. No, I'm kidding. Well, can't wait to hear actually how Nick's weekend was because I know his fiance was in an ultra marathon trail. So that would have been crazy. And of course, we need to find out how many burgers he downed at Five Guys. So we'll get all the information later. Bogdan, good try. You need to update Nick's introduction. Tell me, Axbenzo, tell me, what do I add to it? It's pretty long. At the moment, Nick's intro, wait, how many lines is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's at least 50 lines here, at least. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, there's like 50 lines in his intro. That's why it takes so long. So I don't know how many more lines we can keep adding to this. The Swiss Usain Bolt, for real. Hell yeah, Vangsgard. Move from beep, we don't say the word, to Tradeify just because of these live streams. So hell yeah, we love having new people here. We love it. Welcome. Aislinn, how to create your bias? 91 Forever Trader. My bias is based off what the 4-hour is doing. So I'm bearish right now because we have traded higher than that previous 4-hour high. So I'm now looking for this bearish. Oh, there we go. So the 4-hour candle didn't have a bottom wick before. But yes, once this previous 4-hour high level has been swept, I'm looking for this move, for this candle to flip bearish, to trade up and then create this top wick and flip bearish and trade down. And that is why I'd be bearish if we get that sweep. But right now, we are having an initial move down off that Asia high S&T divergence here, but still not enough for me to consider this yet. Andre the Giant, good morning. Celine, happy Monday. Good morning, Andre the Giant. Good morning also to Brendan Sanya says, good morning, beautiful people. I managed to ride the Friday afternoon 200-point drop. It was incredible. Happened without a single pullback. It was unreal. Hell yeah. That is some amazing trades. I also took a nice short on the Friday. Friday's price action was actually clean. New York and London. So well done. Great trading. 15-minute till London open anyways. Yeah, exactly. No rush. I'm not in a rush at all, chat. I will not just take anything. I mean, Friday, I kind of entered that late and I kind of FOMO'd, but that was on evals and I didn't really care too much because I was still convinced of the move. But this, on the other hand, I do expect us to trade higher first. I need to see this bearish gap, this daily bearish gap tapped first. So I'm waiting. I'm being patient. Adam Goronsky says, do you trade your strategy on MES? Now was set up, in my opinion. Am I right? No, this is ES on the other side. There is no setup for me on ES yet. Currently, there hasn't been a sweep of previous 15-minute highs, so the 15-minute candle just looks like this. Right now, we've actually traded below the previous 15-minute low, so there's no trade for me to take a short here because we've already swept out that level. I'm looking for price to sweep the high first and then short off there. So no trade for me yet. Cheeseballs says, we short in this. Hell yeah, we are. Well, not yet. But I know you might be. There are a few in the chat here already in shorts. Explosive Body says, good morning, Celine and Tradeify TV. Good morning. Good morning to you all. Who's in trades? Who's in shorts? Fess up, chat. Who is in the shorts already who couldn't help themselves on a Monday and needed to get in straight away? Guess who's short, says Nick. We all know who. Nick is short. Would you use EMA for trading reference? I don't, but I'm sure, I think Nick is using EMAs. All right, let's see who's in shorts. Jeremy, I'm on a short now. Legacy Lamb shorts. In shorts, Blazing, wearing shorts and in shorts. Peter Johnny, Stefan in shorts. All right, it's very clear to see we're all in shorts today. Dr. Dolly says, just woke up, just watching what is going on here. Fair enough. Do not rush anything. I'm not in any trades either yet. M4 Anton says, being patient with you, Celine. Amazing. I mean, yes, I might be missing, I don't know, this move that has already happened. It's nothing like a major move though to be missing out on technically. So I'm like, there's no FOMO here. I'm just waiting. Patience pays. Yep. Short, Serpent God. Thank God I feel better about my long. Yeah, you can definitely, I mean, if you're long, if you guys want to be in longs, that would work for me because I want to see previous day high sweep, Asia high sweep, and daily bearish gap tap. So I do want price to go higher. So I don't mind if some of you are in longs. Serpent God says, I'm up 100 points. People screaming short makes me happy, lol. Yeah, well, you're not alone, Serpent God. There are many people in shorts with you right now. Kyle says, I'm taking it real slow with this eval. Nice. How many micros or, I mean, you could be trading minis. What size are you putting on, Kyle? Nothing happened yet, Celine. I know. Everyone is already in shorts, but like nothing of significance has happened yet for me. I'm waiting. I will look for shorts if we reject previous week's 50% candle. 50% of previous week's candle. Fair? Everyone has their different signals. I am waiting for a sweep higher. One Lager says I caught a short on at 7519 on ES. Nice. 7519. Oh, like close to these highs. Very nice. All right. Well, we're continuing a drop here. For me to consider anything, though, I still need previous 15-minute high sweep anyway, so there's no A plus setup for me to short into this yet. But I would be so surprised if we leave these relatively equal highs and daily bearish gap untapped before we head all the way back down for the gap. We will see. There we go. There's the yawn counter of the day has started. Celine, please sing a song for the Bears. No, because I want the Bulls. Mr. Market, please go up. Mr. Market, please go up. I want Bulls to come out first. Celine, what's the first target? It's pinned in the chat, guys. It's 580 likes for the first giveaway. Moncala says, Nick Tater's disciple, waiting for London Open and for Nick to come on stream. That is fair. For those of you who love to trade with Nick, he will be here in 10 minutes. So we're chilling until then. Celine, would you say this will be relatively equal highs to purge during NY morning session? Not really. Like, we're so close. We're so close is the reason why I would expect us to purge through those levels now before we drop. It would make sense first to trade higher and then make the move to the downside. That is the move I'm waiting for. If we just dump in London and then go for those highs, I don't know. It's not what I would expect, but it can happen. Absolutely. I just don't expect it to be like that. Almost there. This is Andre the Giant. I think he must be talking about the likes. Are we almost there? Are we almost already at 580 for the first giveaway? Well. 564 likes. So you guys will be doing the first giveaway very soon. Pretty much whenever we bring on Nick. In the next 10 minutes, we'll do that first giveaway. Colleen, what are the chances we get you in New York today? 0, because I'll actually be road tripping straight after this. I'm actually going to be on a 5-6 hour drive across Greece. So there is no chance I will be streaming from the car. Also, you cannot trust Greek Wi-Fi. London section is falling down. Bears are winning every minute. For now, it's had a little bit of a drop, but nothing crazy. How's the summer in Greece? Is it melting? You know what? The other day it rained here. I think it was Friday. We had rain and there was a cyclone, like just a random day. Now it's like 30 degrees and we're back to normal, but there was a full-on cyclone. Yeah, Friday, 5:30 p.m. I could not believe it. It was gray skies and just raining. Just randomly. Every other day since I've been here has been 30 degrees. So it was actually nice to have a bit of a break from the heat. But then, yes, the sun is back out. Well and truly back out. I'm in peak Euro summer right now. It's July. So end of July, come into August, it's going to, like, the sun is going to peak. Are you drinking flavored water? No, this is just normal water. In my Tradeify bottle. But no, this isn't flavored water. How was the little Greece earthquakes today? Wait, what? Greece had earthquakes? Oh my gosh. On Friday, we had like actually 2 mini cyclones. So don't tell me we have earthquakes now. I left Bali. I'm done with all that. Well, when I was in Bali, we had like 2 or 3 like major like earthquakes where my building actually shook. That was scary. And I dealt with a flood in Bali as well. A couple times we flooded. So I'm done. I don't want Greece to have natural disasters here too. Keroma, I'm banning you right now. We don't do any spamming in here. Smokey says, I was driving that day, was insane strong. Oh, you were in Greece when we had the cyclone? Shit. I mean, for where I am in Greece, it wasn't as bad, but like they're not far from me. Like it was, yeah, like an actual cyclone. Like smashed. Let's go. That means we will be doing the giveaway very soon. Expect Nick to come on in the next 5 minutes, and then we'll do that giveaway like pretty much from the beginning of the stream, just about. Hell yeah. Selena, are we ready to do push-ups? Leslie, I'm not in any trades yet, so no push-ups for me yet. Oh, in Athens. Damn, so this... Okay, so the wind actually was like Greece-wide. I didn't know that. Shit. I mean, that would have been actually like really scary to be driving when the wind gusts were like that bad, because I saw videos and trees were like tilted to the side, like big like trees, like heavy trees were getting tilted. So, I mean, crazy that you drove through that. Love from Dubai. Love to Dubai. I need to get out there to Dubai. Celine, did you watch The Odyssey? Yes. I've already spoken about this. I loved it. I loved that movie. I love the story. I've actually been to the guy who wrote The Odyssey, Homer. I've been to his what's it called? His tomb? What do they call it? Where he died. And that was like a cool experience. So watching The Odyssey was sick. I love it. I know Nick and others didn't rate it as high, but actually I rated it. Oh, Smokey D says, I was on a highway without trees and stuff like that, but it was very strong. Yeah, that is crazy. It was very strong winds, but I think we're done with that. And I think the sun is now back to stay. Hopefully no more crazy cyclones in Greece. Musk is creating real Odyssey with Grok this year? What do you mean? Constantine, don't make me laugh. But yes. Oh, that's so funny. No, the Afghan trader, I'm not a spoiler. He says, morning Slim, so what happened at the end of the movie? No, I am not the spoiler. I will not. You guys are going to have to go and see it. I see Faria's afternoon from Singapore. I miss Singapore. Singapore was probably one of my favorite places I've ever visited, to be honest. Like, I was shocked. I was shocked that I'd lived so close to Singapore for so long and I'd never been. And then when I was there, I never wanted to leave. So good morning, Singapore. Afternoon. Aussie in Greece. Yes, Nala01. I am the Aussie trading in Greece. I have permanently moved here. Seeing you in a position, Zisa, not yet. Not yet. I am waiting. I've said this. I am waiting for these relatively equal highs to be swept. So I'm looking at Asia high, previous day high, and then this bearish gap above, which is the daily bearish FVG. I'm waiting for price to trade into this level and then reject out of. So there is no short setup for me yet. I actually can see the longs playing out here first before we get the shorts. But in saying that, it is now that time. We are 1 minute from the London Open, which means it is time to bring on the YT wearing and ever moving GP trading by hacking me to catching, stay with ketchup abusing, sample trolling, and recruiting, KFC heading, 5Ks loving, paddle playing, tennis playing, squash playing, water gozzling, chat banning, skydiving, shark swimming, parkour champion, salmon manga sushi loving, switch battle winning, super slippery stock walking, accent king, definitely not CPI full porting, no prep marathon running, dictated, DMC strategy inventing, Mario Kart thrice simulated, 91 no stop loss win rate, the one spreader, Deshaun, the lowly, the one and only, the World Cup bet king, the one and only Nicola.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are we doing?
We're doing good. How are you?
Nice. Doing good. Good morning, Roman. Good morning, Celine. Good morning, chat. You guys already know what to do. Put a big fat one in the chat if you loved Celine's solo hour and if you had a great weekend. Here you go. Let's spam it.
Hey, Nick, I feel like your mic's sounding off today.
Oh my God, I'm using the wrong microphone. Wait.
Sounds like that.
1 second.
Okay. All right, here is London Open, chat. Hopefully we shoot up higher. Let's go. We need this sweep. Chat, I know some of you are in these longs. Come on. Take it to that Asia high. You good?
Okay, now I'm good.
Yes, that's better.
Thank you for letting me know. All right. Let's go. All right.
You're in shorts, yeah?
Yeah, only in one account though. So I traded the Asia Open at 6 p.m. Eastern. Took a long for like 125 points and then exited it at 2 a.m. Eastern and entered shorts at 2:15 Eastern. So now I'm in that short, which is pretty much break even. I only entered this on one account, so it's just.
Nick, did you sleep?
I did sleep, yeah. It's just I wanna what I actually want, and that's the trade I'm looking for to go in heavier, as in with all the accounts, is a dippy for the rippy, dippy to the 120-200 EMA between 618.50 down to like 601.50, and then super rippy. So that's the plan.
Cool.
That is the plan.
I want higher first, and then I want the dippy. I want the rippy before the dippy.
I mean, go for it. That's rare that I'm short and you're long, but hey, I mean.
No, I'm trying to get short. I'm waiting for the shorts. It's just that I want price to go a little higher first.
Yeah, but you need to exactly. You needed to go higher first. So.
Well,
that's what I'm saying. But if you wanted to go higher first, why don't you take the longs to take them higher?
Because I'm not convinced. Like I wanted to go higher, but this is not how. I have no idea what the hell the chances are that it actually goes there. What I want and what can happen is completely two different things.
That's true.
How was your weekend?
Good.
How did the race go?
My fiance absolutely crushed it. She's like crazy. Her goal time was like 12 hours and she did it in 10.
Oh my gosh.
And then the next day she wakes up and she doesn't even have sore muscles. Like she's
not human.
How? Chicken and I, we were on e-mountain bikes and we had sore muscles the next day.
Damn. She's an athlete. That's why. She's
a beast.
Crazy. Awesome.
Yep. All right, chat. How are we doing? Ron, I just saw your message. If a discount code wasn't applied properly or you had an issue there at checkout, make sure you reach out to support. They're going to help you. No need to be angry. It's going to be fine. Just reach out to them. As Krantz, yes. I still want to see 28,000. Well, I actually have the zones marked here on TradingView. 879.50, 908.75, 972, 994, 33, and 64-ish. Those are the areas I'm looking for. However, I would like a dippy for the rippy. So like dippy down to 818, 801. 618, 601, 50, and then go into longs again. Because I already took longs for over 120 points, 125 points. So
nice. Did you get a chance to add into those longs?
No.
Oh, damn.
I did not. Well, I would have here at 9:25 Eastern time, PM. But at that time I was asleep, so I missed it.
Okay.
I missed it. Hey, good morning, Kiss. Good morning. She says, if memory serves, the 1-year anniversary of London Stream must be coming up soon. That is right. I think was it end of August or September? I'm not sure.
I think I came on October and you were already running for like, I feel like August you started.
I'm not sure. Naveen, I already gave the update last week. No hedging allowed. 0. Celine, you're going on a road trip?
Yes. PS, I will be streaming, but I'll just be streaming from
Uh-oh.
my hotel.
I see internet problems incoming, chat.
No, don't say that. I have spoken to the hotel. They say they have fast Wi-Fi, so it should be fine.
That's what they all say.
But hold on, in London it was fine.
Yeah, but keep in mind you're in Greece, so...
Well...
Chat, I think this is going to be a week with me streaming solo, but...
No, it's not going to be like that. Nick, I will make... If I have to, I will go to some sort of mountaintop where I get the strongest signal and I will stream from there.
We'll see. We'll see. So where are you going for your road trip?
Have you heard of a place called Lefkada in Greece?
No.
It's like to the... What's it called? Like west side of Greece.
Yeah.
All the way west near like Corfu, those kind of areas. It's really nice.
Oh, nice.
We have.
By the way, Roman,
some,
let's stay on my screen. I'm in a trade. Thanks.
We have some friends from Melbourne who are traveling, and I was like, well, we'll come meet you there because it's like 5 hours the drive. It's not so bad. So we're gonna go meet them there, and then I will be streaming from there Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, but I'll be back Friday. But fingers crossed. Don't say that because the Wi-Fi should be fine.
We'll see. We'll see. I'm actually gonna be doing something similar next week, but I'm gonna be completely gone. So it's Celine solo next week.
Oh no.
Get ready, chat. Get ready.
We might have to give away some heaps of Tradeify accounts.
I mean, look, that's your responsibility.
Mm-hmm.
Good morning, Ursula. Good morning, Nikohan. I'm assuming you're here too.
And where are you going for your road trip?
I'm gonna go to France.
Oh, nice.
France, yes. The faceless man, Nick, how did the ultra go? My fiance absolutely crushed it. She crushed it.
Yeah, 10 hours when she wanted 12. Like she beat it by a whole 2 hours. Is
yeah,
huge.
but I knew that's gonna happen. She always does that.
That's crazy.
She always does that. Yeah, I mean, think about it. 68 kilometers, 3,300 meters of elevation in 10 hours.
Oh
and then not even fucking have sore muscles the next day. Like, what?
She needs, I don't know. She's an athlete at that point. Like, yeah. No one else can be doing that.
No, she's crushing it. Oh, shit. I haven't even liked the stream. What the hell?
By the way, we have smashed the likes for the first giveaway, so let's do it.
All right, quick gibby. Let's go. Chat, if you want to participate in this giveaway, all you got to do is like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I send you the link to the Google form, fill out that Google form, but only do it once. If you ask me where the form is, what the form is, how the form is, what shape or form I'm in, or any sorts of questions like that, you're gonna get banned. If you ask me how to join the giveaway, you are gonna get banned, so don't do it. You're gonna have 45 seconds to fill out the form because it's Monday. You guys still need to wake up. So that means once this 5-minute candle closes, that is when we're gonna pick a winner. Here we go. Here we go.
I've just entered shorts on evals here. Just taking.
She's telling me on the shorts, so I want to exit them now. No, I'm kidding.
I'm going to try it. I have like a stop way above into this in case we do get the sweep. And also this is not enough for me to consider unfunded. So I'm not taking this. I'm not taking this on funded accounts, taking this risk on an eval.
All right. As Krantz, Nick, how do you join the giveaway? You are disqualified, sir. Okay, we got 6 more seconds, 5 more seconds. Here we go. Let's pick a winner.
Let's do
1
it.
second and done. All right. Copying everybody over to the magic wheel. Let's see.
Here we go.
Here we go. Oh, who was that?
Who is that?
Skran says, nice work this morning, Nick. Maybe that means you won't be whiny in today's stream. Oh, you're that little shit. I remember you.
Who's that?
I remember you. Oh, the guy from last week.
I don't think we've met.
Oh, we have met. All right. First winner of the day, and it's definitely not going to be S. Krantz because he's disqualified, is boom, XCars24. XCars24. Type something in the chat.
Congrats.
Claim your account. You're the first giveaway winner of the week.
There are many more to come.
Mr. XCars. Let's
Hello.
see.
You won. You won something.
Type something in the chat. Let's see if he types, or if he's just not gonna. He's just not gonna claim it, and then it's gonna go to somebody else. Ooh.
How long should we give him? 25 seconds?
20 more, yeah, 23 more. Somebody says he typed. Oh yeah, he did. Said bingo. Oh. All right, here we go. Now let's see what you actually win. Let's see what you win. Hey, I didn't want to spin a second winner. There we go. Okay, so growth, select, or lightning, and boom. XCars24, you are getting ooh, good account to start the week.
Nice.
100k lightning funded account. So all you gotta do to claim it is add your email address to your YouTube channel description. Make sure it's your Tradeify login email, and we're gonna be sending you your account within the next 7 days.
Nice. That is a big account, and it's a lightning funded, which means there is no eval. So you get straight to funded. Nice win.
All right. Who else wants an account like that?
Literally everybody here. Yeah. All right. What should we set the next giveaway target at?
You decide. Whatever you want it to be.
All right. I'm feeling with 1.7 thousand people. 1,700 people. No.
It's like 100 more every single day.
For real. I'm going to say with 863 likes already, it's got to be 1,000 likes for the first giveaway. And the second giveaway.
All right.
1,000 likes.
Roman. There. Damn, chat, she said please to Roman. That's crazy.
Please, Roman.
Usually she just demands. She's like, Roman, pin it.
All right, awesome. There it is. 1,000 likes for the next giveaway, but we could be potentially hitting over 1,700 now today. We might be smashing new records again.
Again. That's what we do. This is what we do.
And again. She learned some manners. Hey, I have manners. Guys, you're talking about that one time that I forgot to say please.
One time?
One time.
I think it's more like sometimes.
Someone missed push-ups.
George Lisa won a 25k select account on Wednesday about 20 days ago, and until today I have not received any accounts. Okay, let me send this screenshot again. I'm sorry about it. Unfortunately, we can't do anything but forward your message to the team and then hope to take care of it. So I'm just gonna bother them again. And yeah, all you gotta do though, make sure you have your email address in your YouTube channel description, and make sure it is the email address that you use to log into your Tradeify accounts. If it's not that, then that's the reason why you haven't received it.
To those asking where my trade is at, right now I'm in drawdown. I've taken this on evals. I'm potentially getting what it's going to be an A+ short for what I can take from my funded accounts, but I have my stop very wide here because I want to allow for the Asia high sweep, the previous day high sweep. These are the levels I'm looking to get taken first before I take that trade in the funded accounts. But for now, like what happened on Friday, by not taking the trade on other accounts, I did miss out on more points. So I'm taking this trade with the risk identified that potentially we could sweep, and I'm expecting to sit in drawdown for a bit before we head lower. So I have the room on these accounts to allow for quite a steep quite a large stop here. But I do expect us to, once we get into the daily bearish gap and we sweep those levels, we should start to see the drop. So we'll see.
Darkest as well. I'm going to copy your message. Chermar, make sure to send your comment again, but with the date. That was still one of the funniest moments.
Which one?
The guy, when I called this guy gay instead of guy.
Oh, yeah. Oops.
Whoopsies.
Oops. Why you're going short? Well, for all the reasons I have been talking about for the last hour, we're getting up into a premium level of price where there is a daily bearish gap aligned with the previous day high sweep, where there's also relatively equal highs. Like all these things considered, it is an area of price that I want to be selling out of. When price gets to highs, we are now in a premium, and those are areas I want to be shorting from. So the reason I shorted off this inversion is a little bit more risky. I am taking this on evals. It's the inversion that aligned with the previous 4-hour high and 15-minute high sweep. But the only thing against this trade is that there are those key levels of the upside that I want to see swept first. So it's worth the risk. I still took it. And I understand I could be in drawdown for a bit here. But that's why I'm in shorts, because we're in a premium and I want to sell. Pretty much.
All right. Crowd Dog says, does anyone even like Nick? Nick, man. Damn.
What the hell?
I start my week, I come in happy and straight to my heart like that? Oh, man.
Guys, that's just straight up rude.
Getting stabbed by a keyboard warrior? That hurts.
These guys.
Hey, by the way, Celine, push-ups? I got to do mine. You got to do yours.
Yeah, I was thinking about it. Ask Roman. I honestly woke up feeling sick today.
I don't give a shit. No thinking about it. Come on.
No, but Nick, I'm feeling like a little sick today.
I don't give a shit. Shut your excuses down. You want me to do mine first, or do you want to do yours first?
Can I have like 10 minutes?
No.
My stomach is literally not right, and I feel like push-ups is just gonna not be good. All right. I'm just gonna do the knee ones today, though. I'm not gonna get the real.
Imagine you don't feel 100%. You feel a bit down. You feel a bit bad, and you pull off 7 push-ups today. Imagine without knees.
Yeah, but it might end up with me vomiting.
Imagine how easy it's gonna be to do 8 the next time. Come on, try. At least try.
No, because that literally might end up with me vomiting today. That's what we're dealing with.
Look, that would be some entertainment as well. So
I'll try one.
Okay, and then if it works well, you do a second one and then a third one.
All right, one moment.
You want to do yours first?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm literally like, I feel so nauseous today. I don't know what it is. Okay. I was just thinking about like maybe not doing the full one. So you actually want me to do the full one?
Yeah, try 7. You can do it. 1, head up. See? 2, awesome. Let's go. 3, 4. See? 5, let's go. Come on. 6, one more. Come on. Ooh, here you go. Here you fucking go.
I'm done.
Now only 3 with the knees. See? Easy.
I'm so done.
Easy.
I can't come back on stream. I quit.
See? Like the rumor trade says, you did them better than last time, and you did one more, and you didn't feel awesome today, yet you got it done anyways. Like, that's fucking sick. That's a W. Everybody put a W in the chat for Celine. Come on.
Yeah, but I literally feel so gross.
Yeah, but that's how it is sometimes, and you still do it. You know?
I know.
That's how it works. That's how you progress. So let's fucking go. That was good.
That was tough.
That was good. That was awesome.
All right, W's in the chat. Look at them all. W's in the chat for my push-ups.
See?
Let's go.
See?
Nick, you need to be like a PT or something. That was great. Great support.
Look, I learned from the best, from the one and only Hannah. So, of course. But
all right. Well, now I do feel accomplished.
So you can do 7 while feeling bad. Think about how many you can do when you feel great.
That's true.
Fuck yeah, you're gonna do 10 next time. Let's go.
Oh, hell no, I am not.
That was
There is
7.
no- But that was tough. Was my form good?
It was way better than last time, that's for sure.
Okay. All right.
Whew. All right, now I'll do mine. 1 second.
Selling the machine from the chat. I never thought I'd feel so accomplished doing push-ups. That was tough. Look at, and then Nick just like makes it look so easy. I've lost count. I don't know how many you said you were gonna do.
I did 20 because I took the longs at 6 p.m. Eastern, and then I took a short now, so.
We're good.
Bharat, I'll take a screenshot again. I said, I'm not the one sending out the accounts. So, unfortunately, I can only bother the team again, which I will. Also, George Realisto, I already told you that I remind the team again, so nothing I can do right now except forward this.
Stream Money says, so y'all do push-ups when your trade goes negative? No, we do push-ups whenever we get into a trade. So we're getting, regardless of what happens, we're getting healthy. We're getting fit.
Or staying fit.
We're staying fit, that's true. We're already fit. We're staying fit. We're getting fitter. And getting wealthy at the same time. Taking trades. Fittest, laziest person I've seen all year. Is that for me? Oh, God. Do you have conviction going lower? Yes, I do. I have a wide stop on this. I haven't taken this on funded accounts. But yes, I want to see lower.
The Jack, yes, I'm forwarding yours as well. The team's gonna get slammed with all these messages right now.
Emil Javala says, guys, I was in the stream before the close and there was this guy saying the earth is flat. I missed you too. Well, welcome to the London session. We're kind of a little bit more normal.
Yo, S-Krantz, are you asking to get banned? Just let me know if you want the ban. I'll gladly give you the ban hammer. Chicken says, hi Nick, I've never won. Can you forward my case as well? Thank you. Look, Chicken. First of all, everybody put some corn in the chat for the Chicken to eat because Chicken didn't eat enough this weekend. Actually, after this weekend, I should rather call him Pig instead of Chicken.
Hey, how was the Five Brothers meetup? How many burgers did you guys destroy?
Look, unfortunately for the people behind us, they didn't have any left anymore after we went there.
Oh, you sold them out.
It was bad. We literally ate like pigs. It was bad.
But then at least you did the bike ride after, right?
Yeah, well, let's just probably forget about the fact that there were e-bikes.
Oh, there were e-bikes? You didn't even probably burn barely any of it up.
I mean, look.
Meanwhile, your fiance is killing it and you guys couldn't even get real bikes. Not a bike.
Well, we did ride for like 42 kilometers though, so
Nick missed the whole E when he went on to say, well, yeah, and then I was beside her mountain biking.
That's not true. That's not true. Go back in stream. Go back in stream. I said e-mountain bikes. Go back. Go get the receipt. Come on.
All right. Well, no, I don't have time for that.
He's trying to fucking shame me here. Be like, oh, he didn't. He left it out. No, you just didn't listen, lady.
Well, maybe today. Maybe today I didn't listen.
Andre says, no, he said that. Cheeseball says he did say it. Then
Okay,
Murph says he definitely said email.
All right, I missed the E. It's very easy to miss. It's one letter.
Okay.
Anyway, so you were saying how many burgers? 5, was it? 10?
Well, 5 together, yeah. But
that's not that bad.
Chicken ate 2, I ate 3, and then we also had fries.
And the fries.
And then chicken on top. This little pig on top, fucking slammed down a Java chip chocolate Starbucks thingy.
Yuck. So is he a pig or a chicken at this point?
He's a picken. Or a chick. Yeah.
I think we should call him Chig from now on.
Yeah, but no, it was good. But then the next day was even worse. Okay, the next day we were obviously supporting my fiance, right? And then we ate some I don't even know what the word is in English, but it's like a specialty in the place where we were. It's like a bread with pears in it, whatever. And it was really good. And then we ate ice cream, and then we ate a salad, and then a steak with fries, and then chicken on top of that orders a fucking apple pie, and then we get home in the evening and we eat spaghetti and pizza. And it was
that's disgusting.
It was really bad.
Chicken.
Yeah, it was also really good, to be fair, but
I mean, your fiance deserved all those calories, but the two of you on mountain bikes.
Yeah, she burned like 6,500 calories.
Obviously, she needed to like eat everything. You guys were just in it for the fun.
I mean, look, sometimes you just gotta.
Damn, pizza and pasta to finish it off too. That is crazy. How are you feeling today, chicken?
He says I feel so fat.
I can feel that just from hearing all of those calories.
And Pino Fomo says, what was that salad for in the middle?
I know. They tried to be all healthy and like...
Oh, wait. Before the pasta and the pizza, we had another ice cream, protein shakes, and something really ugly. Like one of the worst things I've ever eaten. I was about to say the worst, but then I remembered tzatziki exists. So there were like dates, but the flavor of the dates was sour cola. So it's kind of like sour cola gummy bears, but with dates.
The date.
It was fucking disgusting. Like really bad. Yep.
That sounds some like American snack where they would try.
Danish. It's actually Danish.
Really?
Yeah.
They would take something healthy and just try and make it like stupidly sweet or something gross.
That's disgusting. Actually disgusting.
And I love how that you guys threw protein shakes in there as well, just to try and make it a little bit healthy. Robot, yes, great catch there. I said I wouldn't have fries because it's unnecessary calories, but then we had them anyways. Well. And now you got those super slippery socks on, so...
Yeah, I gotta have them on the entire day.
Yeah.
At least I already went to the gym for an hour. I went on a morning walk already, so we're good. I'm getting those calories burned.
Oh, well.
Whew. No. Tony trades. I'm based in Kenya and considering a 50K trading account. If I select Rhythmic Tradeify as my platform, will I be required to pay monthly data fee? Nope. It's going to be all included. You pay the one price for the account and then you have the data included. Or how Celine would say, the daughter.
The daughter will be included. The daughter. Snacky09, Nick, why didn't you choose me for a giveaway? I'm waiting so long.
Well, because we don't want to.
Wait longer.
Oh, damn.
Andreas' dates are disgusting. I also agree. I don't really like dates. I know they're like super healthy, but I just don't like them.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Nick, shut up.
Well,
I see you in the chat.
Well, I mean,
I'm quick to type. Do you think I have time to put the commas in there?
You can be quick and right. Vino, I will forward this message to the team as well.
All right, here is a little drop incoming from NQ. Still haven't taken those highs, but...
Little dumpy?
Little dumpy.
What was your entry for the shorts?
$6.99.
Okay. Mine is 7.17 and a quarter. And I'm going for 6.18 and a half. And once I hit target, I will immediately flip long. Just so you know, don't say that I didn't tell you what I'm going to do. Also, Said, I'm going to ban you for a while because you're spamming the chat. Don't do that.
Yes, NDL, I do have a short trade running. This is the same short. What account size do you trade, Celine? Rowie, this is a 150k size. This is 2 minis on a 150k eval. Lol, Asian boys.
Trying to be smooth there.
I know, what the hell.
She's taken.
Yep, you can read it and weep. There's a ring.
Damn, so bright. Holy shit.
You
just blinded me.
Are too bright.
Shine bright like a diamond. There you go.
Shine bright like a diamond. I don't eat dates as well. I wish I could show my ring. Wait, what? I don't know. I don't know if that's like meant to be like a rude, weird thing. Sometimes they're so subtle that, like, I'm not even sure.
I don't know.
You can reach out, Ruan, saying, how do I get in touch with help? You can reach out via Discord.
Oh, yesterday, speaking of rings, yesterday we did, my fiance and I had like this motivation spark for our wedding planning, and we got so many things done.
That's awesome. Did you look at wedding bands?
Yeah, we went to the city actually to just walk through some stores and took a look. Oh yeah,
nice.
I mean, I'm not gonna wear a ring. Anyways.
Oh, you're not gonna wear one?
Oh, I'm gonna put it on a necklace.
Okay, nice.
Because I can't.
Just you don't
I hate that feeling of a ring around my finger. Like, that's the worst.
My fiance hates it too, but I think he's gonna do it. I told him.
Well, I'm gonna put it on a necklace, which I think is really cool. So.
Yeah. Will your fiance wear her ring? She probably will.
Yeah, of course. She likes it.
Yeah. That's cool. We already actually had to buy we went to our jeweler in Melbourne, so I already have the wedding bands, and they're going to be sitting in our room for like the next year. But
how does your wife feel about that? Oh, she doesn't care. It's like completely fine. My dad, it's funny because my dad already did it like that, and my grandpa as well. So,
oh, there you go. It's tradition then.
Kinda.
But also, most guys don't like wearing rings. Like, it is rare. How old are you guys again? I'm 27, and Nick is
30.
30.
30.
You know what's happening with me? I'm getting like a really funny tan on my finger now from this ring. As soon as I take the ring off, there is like a straight line on my finger where the ring normally is. Looks really stupid.
Oh shit, we already smashed 1,000 likes.
Oh, really?
Yeah. That's
right.
crazy.
That's the second giveaway.
That is crazy. So, second giveaway of the day. Let's see. Chat, all you gotta do to participate in this giveaway is you have to like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I send you the link to the Google form, fill out that Google form, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you'll get disqualified. If you ask me where the form is, what the form is, what shape or form I'm in, or any sorts of questions like that, you're gonna get disqualified. If you ask me how to join the giveaway, you're gonna get disqualified, so don't do that. And you're gonna have 52 seconds to join it. Here we go.
Go, go, go. There is 1,700 views, so we can't be...
Yeah.
We can't be allowing this to run for too long. Let's go, go.
T3 metrics, you're disqualified. Sorry, just that.
Too bad. 211 Dane says stream is getting popular. Hell yeah. London session is the biggest. Okay. We don't want to hear any arguments.
That's true.
We will be, mark my words, with 2,000 viewers very soon.
Yeah, it's not going to take much longer. Oh, 15 more seconds. People are coming in. Let's see. Gave a lot. 10, 9. Oh, be faster, people. Be faster.
I'm going to guess like 500 in this one.
It's more. It's more.
Oh, shit.
And done. 644 people.
Damn.
That's crazy. 644 people fill out a Google form in 52 seconds. That's nuts. Okay.
Crazy.
Here we go. Copying everybody over. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, it's loading so long. Here we go. Okay. Second winner of the day. Second winner of the day is the lucky. Boom. Joglimeister. Hey, that's one of our OGs. He's been here for a while.
For sure.
Joglimeister. Type something in the chat.
He's normally talking here.
Mm-hmm.
Joglimeister.
Joglimeister, where you at?
I'm sure he's here.
He better be here. He's usually here. You'll have 30 seconds to claim.
There he is.
Says yes, goes to Austria. Servus. All right. Can you say servus, Switzerland?
Servus.
Yeah, servus. All right. Now let's see what you actually win. Potentially a growth, potentially select, potentially a lightning funded account. Here we go. Spinning that wheel for Mr. Joglimeister. You, sir, are getting a... Bam! 50k select account. 50k select account your way. All you gotta do to claim your price is add your email address to your YouTube channel description. Make sure it is your Tradeify login email, and we're gonna be sending you this account within the next 7 days. All right.
Congratulations. All right, we've already done 2 giveaways in like 30 minutes, so this is going to be definitely a very, I feel like we're going to do 4 giveaways at least on the stream today because you guys are smashing the likes. I'm going to say the next target should be at least 1,000, what would you say, like 300, Nick? We're already at 1,100 likes.
1.3.
Yeah, 1.3 likes. That'll do for the 3rd giveaway. And then honestly, I think we go for that big target today, the big record like target at 1,000.
I mean, the viewers are crazy. 1.7k.
Crazy. All right. TP incoming. TP1.
Oh, let's go to our screen, Roman.
Oh, TP1 smashed. Just missed it. I just took one off there, so I will quickly just go break even on the rest. And there we go. So break even here, and then looking for 601 for the full TP.
Nice.
But we never ended up getting that Asia high sweep. So this is where... Hey.
Good that you entered it anyway, see?
Yeah, like this is where still taking this trade with a larger stop here, allowing just in case we did sweep, I was still in the trade. Whereas Friday, after reflecting, I was like, look, I could have still been in the trade just with a wider stop and like a lower risk, like Nick was saying. You know, just take the micro, just enter it. So here we are. I was trading this in evals and it's still...
It is a fact. Lady. As said, chat, my target is 618.5, and if I reach that, then I'm gonna flip to longs immediately. What did you say again, Celine? Was your final target there?
Oh, final target is 601. So
okay. So
a little lower than your target.
Targeting something similar.
You're taking off at 618, right? Full?
Do you have it at exactly 601?
601.75.
Okay.
We'll see.
We'll see. I'll take mine at 18.5.
That's weird that my executions aren't showing on here. Any reason? Let me check.
Yeah, anybody who still says I don't short, hey, look at the screen now, huh? Who's in shorts?
True.
Who's in shorts now?
That's strange. Is anyone else having like issues with their trading view not showing the executions? I'll just switch it on and then off. How about that?
All right.
Off, on. There we go.
Let's see.
That was strange. That was a glitch. So yeah, entered at the inversion here. Was in a bit of drawdown from the get-go. Like pretty much from when I entered this trade, I was in drawdown. And then finally had follow through to TP1 level. And now I'm break even.
Nice.
Why not the opening gap, Celine? Why not? Honestly, I want to see how we react at all these lows here. Like if it is dropping heavy, I might just screw it and just go for it and just try past these evals. But I would prefer if I was in the funded accounts to go for a target like that. But in these, I'm just trying to, I'll just see how, I'll sort of move the TP with however price is reacting. But right now I could actually be out of this trade already.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Let's see. Where is VIX?
What do you guys think of ES at the moment? Nick and I don't really trade. Oh, sorry. No, you trade ES sometimes, Nick, don't you?
Sometimes, yeah.
I actually don't trade ES. So, I mean, whatever I think of NQ, similar to what I guess is happening on ES right now. Wanting to see lower, but I'm not really ever doing my analysis on ES ever.
Nope, me neither. I think it's going to go down to 618 to 601 and a half. And then,
hey.
yeah, as I mentioned before, the zone is 618 and a half down to 601 and a half. And then I'll flip longs.
Good try, Ashtik. I know you're not new here.
Jason Owen, Nick, do you aim to close any trades end of day, or are you happy holding overnight and weekend? On my personal account, I do hold overnight and weekend, but on prop accounts, obviously you have to close by the end of the day. No way to hold there. The Epic World.
Trading. What?
I was just saying the Epic World said don't select one, select more people for the giveaway. I mean, we could maybe spin a wheel after that says one giveaway winner, and it's going to be a 150k account, or 2 giveaway winners and it's going to be a 50k account, or 3 giveaway winners and it's going to be a 25k account. How about that?
And who decides that?
Either the wheel or a poll.
Okay.
Okay, actually, Roman, can you get up a poll that says, do you want, do you want ... and then 1 winner, 150k account, 2 winners, 50k account, or 3 winners, 25k account. There's going to be a poll, guys, so.
I'd say they want more chance of winning. I'd say they say 3.
We'll see. And then Rags to Riches is greedy and says 4 25k accounts, 4 people. No.
Of course.
No.
Oh, there is potential.
Roman, the poll should say, do you want? And then the answers are 1 winner, 150k account, 2 winners, 50k accounts, or 3 winners, 25k accounts. Maxing then says, I'll take a humble 10k account. Well, that's going to be tough. That's going to be tough. Noise Vision, can you please clarify a little the difference between the growth and the select account? Yes. The main difference is this. The growth account in eval stage has 0% consistency. That means you can pass it in one day. The select accounts have 40% consistency, so that means the earliest you can pass it is in 3 days. However, once you're funded, the growth account has 35% consistency, and the select accounts, once funded, have 0% consistency. That's the main difference. I like select better.
Yeah, I was just gonna say I just broke even on the rest there.
Okay.
So we'll see if we get another opportunity to short into this, but
now it's gonna drop.
Now it's gonna drop.
I'm still in it. So Roman, let's go to my screen.
Honestly, the last hourly candle close is a little annoying there. Like a doji candle close. The hourly has dropped into this bullish gap now, so I'm aware of that we are trading out of an hourly bullish gap. We still have those highs intact. We still have Asia high up there, previous day high up there, daily bearish gap up there. So potentially now we make the move, take those highs, maybe get the short closer to like New York session. I don't know.
Interesting. People want 2 winners, 50K accounts. That's very interesting.
Okay.
I mean, it's very even with the 3 winners. Oh, now the 3 winners are winning. Let's see.
But definitely no one wants the 1 winner. That's out of the question.
Yeah.
We're either going to do, looks like 2, I think.
It looks like 2 is going to take the W here. Yep.
What are the likes at?
I don't know.
Okay, still 1,100 likes. Damn, we're close to 1,800 viewers right now, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Holy, that'll be a new target. New record.
Yep. Chief, with you, how can we see the poll after you vote? It just disappears for you. We're going to end it in about a minute, and then you will see the result in the chat. How to win, Sen? Well, you just got to be lucky.
There's no real skill to it. Just put your name and then whatever happens.
Future of Thrones says, I've received my 8th payout from Tradeify today. Let's go, man. Congrats.
Hell yeah.
Congrats. Thank you, Contract Killer says, I picked 0 accounts, free cookies for everybody. Well, Sen, I'll explain it once it happens. Don't worry. Don't ask again, otherwise you'll get banned.
Oh,
it's the rules of the stream.
The Nick data has spoken.
You know it.
The chart fighter, when would you consider this short trade setup to be invalid? Well, I guess coming back to my break-even level there, it does tell me that I'm not in that bearish move. So I'm taking out a break-even stop, but still with the idea that this could definitely go lower. I'm just protecting my stop there because of the highs above. Because it could go on to completely sweep those levels and then obviously take me out of the trade. So I'm still validating the shorts. It's just about timing it. I still do think this wants to go lower. But break even for me there is saying like, okay, I'm now not willing to risk. I've taken profit. I'm not willing to risk another move up. I want more of like a strong bearish move, like quickly with heaviness. So right now, like coming back up, retesting again where I entered like 30 points higher. It's a bit annoying. So that's why I'm break even there.
Nice. Rags to riches. Well, I blew my account. What do I get? You get a lesson in what not to do. Afghan trader disqualified.
Afghan trader. What?
Roman, 2 things. First of all, let's go to my screen. Second of all, can you please end the poll? And then we have the result for the next giveaway, what we're going to do.
To answer Link T27, do you have any plan to start Asia sessions? We do currently run Asia sessions with Amas.
Yep.
So we're already doing that.
Ooh, okay. Clear winner. 2 winners, 50% voted for that.
Nice.
536 people voted, and half of you guys wanted 2 winners to get a 50K account. So that's what we're going to do.
Let's do it.
That's what we're gonna do.
So it is now a democracy. Now we put things to a vote. Nick is learning.
Rags to Riches has main character syndrome right there. Says, see, because I started watching you guys, you're getting more viewers. No, that's not the reason, my friend.
It's all you, Rags to Riches. It's all you.
That's not it.
That's funny.
Okay, I'm still in the short chat. You see it on screen. Targeting 618.5. Once it reaches that, I will flip to longs. Don't tell me I didn't tell you like 2 hours before or an hour before or whenever it's going to happen.
Jimmy Trades. What's up, London gang? He says, Happy New Week. Happy New Week, Jimmy. Happy Monday. Have you taken any trades, Jimmy? Any trades for the London session today?
SC8015, you must be new here, so welcome to Tradeify TV. Asks no stop. Nope, I don't trade with a stop.
What's a stop?
That's a good question.
Rex just says, you both guys are great. Definitely deserve 10,000 viewers.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you. One day. Hey, one day we will, Nick.
Yeah, for sure. For sure we will.
Jimmy said, nothing for London just yet. Really wanted to sweep a previous day high. Me too. Me too. I'm looking for that level as well. Waiting for Asia high, previous day high. Around 28,734.
Wax Graham says stop signs are for bus drivers. Furno, no stop is crazy. Well, is it really when you're in 1 micro? Is it really that crazy? And no, Alberto, I do not trade with a stop loss.
Me as well. So I'm new here. What indicators are using? Oh, Nick, I was in a trade on Friday, New York session. So taking like a pre-New York trade, that was all good. And then like into the New York session, I was taking 10 a.m. like a reversal trade, and I added into it twice because I had 2 setups. So I added in again. And then,
okay.
Hey, that trade stopped me out. I don't know if you saw this on Twitter, and then it ran. And I said on Twitter, I'm starting to question the point of a stop loss, because that was like tilting me. How did I?
Let me go check out that post. I haven't seen it. 1 second.
Yeah, like I took the SL after having like added into the trade, so I was even in the trade heavier because I was even more convinced of the move. But my stop got wicked out, and then another entry formed, which would have been.
Here we go, chat. If you want to follow Celine, her Twitter handle is Celine Trades. She deserves a follow. But let's see. Mac Payne, starting to question the point of a stop loss.
Yeah, no, it's not good.
Well,
see how it came down to wick me out and then moved? Like, come on. Why has it got to do that?
Celine.
If I didn't have a stop loss, this is the point. If I didn't have a stop loss, that trade would have banked.
See, chat, we're starting to convert her. We're starting.
Oh, God.
The process is starting. She's already questioning it. It's great.
It was frustrating.
NDL, Nick, could you please explain your thinking while trading? I can't follow what you're doing. Thanks in advance. Yeah, I mean, when I'm in a trade, I'm super, super duper relaxed, because that's only though since I trade this way, so a couple months. Reason being is I have a plan for both directions. If the trade goes in my favor, I don't have anything to do but take profit whenever I want to take profit. But if the trade goes against me, I'll work it, I'll get a better average. And then if it goes in my favor, I don't have anything to do except taking profit whenever I want to take profit. So it's super relaxed. Like this trade right now, I don't really think about it. I don't give a shit. It's in profit, so whatever. If it goes down to 618.5, I'll take profit and I'll flip to longs. Awesome, I have a plan. If it goes up, I want to see a fast candle up, like a stop out candle. Then I'll add into it, do the same thing again, get into profit, and I'll take profit whenever I'm happy. And yeah, got a plan for both sides. No need to worry. Super chill, super relaxing.
He can't lose.
Nope.
There's no stop. He can't lose.
Nope. Allies or Elias? No, shit. He said how he pronounced it last week. Is it Elias? I don't know.
I don't remember.
Elias? I think. I'm not sure. Anyways, how many times do I add? Depends on the account I'm trading. On these 150k accounts, usually I don't go more than like 3 or 4 micros. So yeah, I mean on Friday, you saw it if you were in New York stream. I was in longs the entire Friday session, right? So this entire move down, I was in longs from up high, and this entire move I was in longs. And then I had a pretty bad average, but I got out of it, and it was fine in the end of the day. By the end of the day, made money, small but green, which is always what I say, right? Like I don't know how much money I'm gonna make by the end of the day, but I'm gonna be green.
I will be right back.
I actually just wanted to say that. That's funny, but okay.
Okay, wait. Let me go first. I'll be back.
Yeah, all good. I got something in my eye. That's why. Shit. Jonathan, I mean, look, if I don't go more than 3 or 4 micros, I'm gonna be fine. The only time I take a loss is if NQ catches me, like I get caught and I can't get out of it. Meaning, for example, let's say on Friday, I would have longed, let's say here, just making an example, I didn't, but let's say I would have here, and then it would have come down. I wouldn't really have time to get out of it, right? Because on these accounts, I can't hold overnight. If I would have been able to hold overnight and I did that, then no problem, then I get out as soon as the 6 p.m. open happens. However, in this case, you would get caught and you would need to realize the loss around here, and that way you would lose. On my personal accounts, I have enough time to work it because I can hold overnight, so it's different. Ah, shit, I really got something in my eye. It's bad. I hope Celine comes back soon. Siwa, what EMA is that? The blue one is a 120 EMA and the yellow one is a 200 EMA. Did I already fix the wedding date? Yes, it's next year. Hey, let's fucking go, Mo. Banked myself 9k in payouts over 5 accounts. Let's go, dude. Congrats. Well done. Torvik, Celine is not in a trade right now. I'm short. Usam, is it the same strategy for both of your accounts, personal and prop? Yes, but on my personal, I can go way deeper. More contracts. And I can hold overnight. I mean, nope, there is not. Ron cannot get connected via Discord. What do you mean you can't get connected via Discord? Damn, my eye, holy shit. Damn it. Thanks, Usam, appreciate it. 1 hour 950 is London always too slow? Yeah, it's usually how it is. Depends, Brokey Bauer. Which account you have? Navid says blink, not rubbing. Yeah, but it's like itchy. So I need to scratch it. Itchy and scratchy. Dude, this is crazy. Crazy. Okay, I'm up 50 points now on this trade. See? Taking shorts. 50 points up on shorts. Holy moly. Ooh, we need 85 likes for the next giveaway. 85. Here's the 9 a.m. candle, UK, which is New York pre-market open as well as Tokyo Stock Exchange close. Sisyphus Trading, Nick, can you explain why 618 level for longs? It's between the 120 and the 200 EMA. So it's going to have a tough time going lower. So we're going to go for a dippy for the rippy. These will do between 618.5 and 601.5. No. ABD beacon, as I just said, shorts to 618.5, then flip to long. Very good, Mo. That's awesome. Congratulations. All right, Celine is back, so I'm going to be out for a second. Oh, shit.
Go. All right, what have I missed? Well, looks like I took that break even and then NASDAQ just dropped literally as soon as I took the break even here. Let's see though, it's coming back. Nirav Kumar, can you make the background chat white? First of all, you don't need to spam your questions multiple times in here, chat. We will see you when we do. So that's just getting a quick timeout because you spammed. So there you go. But my background colors are gray. If you're talking to Nick, you can try ask him, but he's not going to change to white charts. We've tried. Hey Celine, how you doing? I'm doing good. I mean, dopamine. I'm doing good. I'll be doing better if we get these likes up, because we've already done 2 giveaways, but we need to do the 3rd giveaway of the stream at 1,300 likes. So make sure there's 1,700 of you. Make sure you smash the like button. Get us to 1,300 likes and we'll do the 3rd giveaway. Celine, what is your analysis on gold? Well, last time I checked, today we were still a 4-hour inside candle. Okay, so we did make a move. I was watching this 15-minute gap. All right, so we ended up having inverted this 15-minute bullish gap, but then also had a sell-off from there. So, I mean, not the cleanest gold chart I have seen, but also still a 4-hour inside candle. So the 4-hour probably looks, 4-hour now looking bearish. We do have a top wick in place on the 4-hour. It didn't quite sweep previous 4-hour high. So still an inside candle here, but definitely looks like it's going for that new week opening gap here on gold. Asia low, previous day high also from gold, but I still, no clean entry for me on there. Nope. I mean, if anyone took shorts in the middle of Asia range, I think potentially we did retrace into 50% of that Asia range. Let's have a look. Okay, even actually that was a GP level. That's a 618. So actually we did sell off like perfectly from 618 on gold. If you guys are trading GP, that could have been a nice setup. But for me, there are no A+ setups in that. Not the way I like to trade. Okay, so NQ right back where I took break even. Not a clean drop. I don't like these kind of trades. I prefer to be like, I was in the short, obviously took off TP1 and profited off that and then break even on the rest. But I prefer, if I'm in a short, like it needs to move. I don't like these kind of ranging. We come back up, we retest. That's why I was in a break even position just to cover that, because I just don't want to be dropping 30 points, then pumping back up 30 points, like, you know, within a minute. Don't want to be in those kinds of trades. Rash says 1.8 thousand viewers. Let's go. Hold on a minute. Are we really at 1,800 viewers? Guys, it's a new viewer record. I need to take this screenshot. Roman, take this screenshot in case I miss it. 1,800. I swear we will be reaching 2,000 in here soon. All right, I got it. Nick, we smashed 1,800 viewers.
Let's go.
Let's go. Welcome.
Cooking London. We're cooking.
Welcome to all the new viewers. Imagery says, like the stream, lazy people. I know, 1,800 people and we're struggling for that extra 100 likes.
Yeah, that's wild. That is indeed wild. We're hitting new records every single day. That's
hell yeah.
Pretty nuts. Ask me. Pretty nuts, yeah.
TV to Boggart. Special giveaway at 1,800. No. Special giveaway is going to be if we smash the like record, which would be 1,400 or 500. Can't remember.
I don't know.
I think we have reached 1,400 likes. I think like record would be 1,500 for that special giveaway. Says A's and yays. Celine, which TradingView subscription plan do you recommend? The top. I actually am trying to work out what I have. Your profile, would it be here? I think I have the top or the middle. How would I know? Honestly, for like different things, but like for having multiple charts on your screen and bar replay, middle to top. Obviously the basic doesn't really give you much, and you can't even drop down to second charts if you're a scalper. But definitely at least having the middle tier subscription on TradingView. At least.
One second, I need to set something up pretty quick.
Oh, good. Yes, Ryan K. traces, Celine, do you have some South African in you? The surname looks South African. Yes, it is a Dutch last name. That is because my dad is originally from South Africa. So yes.
South Africa.
South Africa. Elias, I don't know if we decided how to say that name. Elias, target hit on...
haven't.
We still haven't. Target hit on eval, now focus on the funded. Let's go. It's Monday, so, I mean, you're already killing it. Shorting gold till December every single day. Gold is having a nice drop. No, I am not single, chat. We've been over this.
That's crazy how many people ask that.
We're both engaged. Nick is off limits too, chat.
Sorry, Johnny.
Sorry, Johnny. Oh, that guy from last week. I forgot his name.
I can't remember.
Oh, he said I pronounced perfectly. Elias. Done. Elias.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
Lowend says, do you speak some Dutch Afrikaans? Nothing, not at all. Not like my dad doesn't speak it either. He's very westernized. It's a shame. But I think like I have Dutch friends and they've told me like the language, it's pretty much like Dutch Afrikaans. It's very similar. Selena, your accent is British, right? No, I mean, I am Australian. Some people say I speak with a British accent, but it's
She's
not.
Chinese.
I'm not Chinese. I've never been to China. I've no affiliation with China at all.
She's Chinese.
That's just a rumor.
She is Chinese. Oh, did we get 1,300 likes?
We did. Yes, it's time.
Ooh, okay, chat. Okay.
Jeez.
So as per your wish, we're going to give away 2 accounts. 2 50K accounts to actually 2 of you guys. Both of you get 1 50K. We don't know which one yet, but it's going to be 50K. So if you want to participate in this giveaway, all you got to do is like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I send you the link to the Google form, fill out that Google form, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you'll get disqualified. If you ask me where the form is, what the form is, what shape or form I'm in, or any sorts of questions like that, you're going to get disqualified. If you ask me how to join the giveaway, you're going to get disqualified. And if you ask any sorts of questions where you play with fire like that, you're going to get disqualified. Also, good morning, drillers of Greece. Here we go. Link to the form. Boom.
I had to mute because
24 seconds.
Oh, sorry.
What's that?
I'm just going to have to mute. It sounds like they're right against this wall.
Just drilling a hole in Celine's office right there. Okay, 6 more seconds. This is going to be a good one. High chance of winning. 2 seconds. And here we go. Copying everybody over.
Are they done?
1 second.
I think the drillers might have stopped.
Are they done? Nice. Okay. Here we go. 2 winners that we're going to pick. 2 winners. Let's see who is lucky today. First winner is gonna be the driller. No, I'm kidding. First winner is gonna be Chatter. Chatter 8Q. Type something in the chat.
I have to keep like unmuting and muting. This is so annoying. But congrats, Jetta. Congrats.
Let's see. It says, yeah, man, thank you. All right, we got the first one. Now the second winner is gonna be Driller. Second winner is gonna be, boom, Enzel 8294. Enzel 8294. Type something in the chat. Both of you get a 50K account. We don't know yet which one, but we'll see. Enzel, where you at? Oh, there he is. There he is. Says, yo, hey. All right, congrats. Now, we're gonna see, both of you get the same account, and the account that you're gonna get is growth select or lightning funded. It's gonna be a 50K. Which type though? Let's find out. It's gonna be a 50K. Ooh, is it gonna be lightning? Oh, 50K lightning funded. So congrats. All you gotta do is add your email address to your YouTube channel description. Make sure it is your Tradeify login email. And once that's in there, you're gonna get your accounts within the next 7 days. Nice, that's awesome. That is awesome. Celine getting a headache over there. Celine, what's the next like target?
Okay, quick while they've stopped. Well, I reckon we go for the record 1,500 today. I think we should.
Okay. All right, 1.5K next like target, chat. NDT71 says, when is your birthday, guys? I would like to sponsor you guys a dinner. Hey, that's nice. Nice of you.
What if they have create a peephole? No, it's not. They're building an apartment complex next door. It's just that the wall comes right, like it's all brick. The buildings in Greece are all brick, like the thick walls. But these drillers, I don't even know. Like the structure is there. I don't even know what they're still drilling. But here we go. They're starting again.
Well, did you ask for a rent reduction?
I actually haven't. I should.
Why haven't you? It's been 2 weeks since I told you, or more, actually.
No, it hasn't been 2 months.
I said 2 weeks.
Oh, 2 weeks. Yeah. I don't know. There is enough. I know. I'm dealing with a lot.
What are you dealing with? Let's do Celine's therapy hour. Okay.
All right. I'm dealing with, first of all, fiber. We were meant to have fiber connection in this house when we moved in. It hasn't. It hasn't been. They were meant to come today. They came today, this morning, bright and early. And they're like, oh, we have the wrong building profile, some number linked to this house. So we can't do it today. And I was meant to be taking Starlink on my trip this week. And now I can't take Starlink with me because, anyway, it's just, there's issues everywhere.
So why can't you take Starlink with you?
Well, we need still Starlink at the house because my fiance's brother he's here, so he needs the internet. So I'm like, well,
okay. So wait. So what you're saying is you prioritize your fiance's brother over yourself?
No, truth is, I'm gonna have fine internet at the hotel. I've checked. The internet's fine, so I actually don't need Starlink. But the issue is that I wanted to have fiber. I wanted to have the fiber connection done today, and it's not happening. And we've been waiting for 2 weeks. 2 weeks.
Uh-oh, chat.
This is what I mean. So now I'm dealing with drilling, and now this. All of the above. Welcome to moving to Greece. This is what happens. Celine, are they building the Trojan horse next door? I feel like they may as well be. There's nothing else to drill. The walls are up. There is structure. There is bricks. It's all been like, I showed a photo on stream the other day. Like, it's done. I don't know why they keep drilling. Anyway.
Well. Actually, we're going to give a shout out to Robot here for his funny comment. Robot said, drilling equals dust and dust equals sweet.
Come on.
I love that
Just
one.
add that one. Add that one on my day. That's all good. All right.
Victoria says, watching from Dubai. Nice. Dubai must be super hot right now.
Yeah, I want to go to Dubai soon.
Soon? Are you like a psychopath? How soon?
I mean, come on, not so soon. Like eventually, when the weather is better.
Okay. What do you want to see in Dubai? Or what do you want to do?
I want to see it all. The marina, the main bits,
Tourist bits.
the tourist bits.
You gotta go skydiving over the palm.
No.
If you go to Dubai, you have to do it. It's like look.
No, Nick.
Trust me, you are gonna love it. You're gonna love it so much.
I love, like, for me, the peak of my like extreme thrill is like water park slides. Like, that's awesome. I love it. But that's as far as my thrill takes me. Like, I can't do the jump from a plane. Shit.
I feel so sorry for all the people who don't overcome their fear of skydiving, because if they would overcome it, it's like one of the most unique feelings that you could ever get.
I know.
Sad. It's so sad if you never experience it.
Like, I love it. I love that, like, the idea of it. That's like so freeing. Like, how cool that would feel. But knowing me, something would go wrong. Go wrong.
No, because you don't have to do anything.
You know, there's people that have died, and I don't want to go out like that.
Died walking across the street. So what? Now you don't walk across the street?
You have an answer for literally everything.
I mean, it's just like fearful thinking. It makes no sense.
I know it doesn't in your mind, but like.
No, it's not about the mind. It just generally doesn't make sense.
What, the fear of jumping out of a plane?
Look, let's do this. How many people die every year
Abdaz is like, we were always
crossing a street? Let's see. More than 7,000 pedestrians die each year in traffic crashes.
Jeez.
Okay, so now, how many people?
Yeah, don't show me these stats, because I'm gonna end up just like in my house for the rest of my life.
Skydiving a year. 18 to 22.
Yeah, and of the 18 to 22, that would be me.
See, but overall rate, 0.23 to 0.46 deaths per 100,000 jumps. Tandem jumps, even safer, averaging about 1 death per 500,000 tandem jumps. There's zero way that you're gonna, no, it's not zero, but it's very, 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 very low chance that something's gonna happen.
Well, I would for sure not even try it in Greece. But
well, I would do it in Dubai though. Dubai is really safe for these kind of things.
Also, what about like heart? Like, what if my heart just spikes at a...
Celine, you're not 65, okay? OCCC says Nick is really so annoying sometimes. But imagine I get her to try it and then she loves it. OCCC.
I probably would love it. I love the idea of it.
You will love it. I promise you. I guarantee.
But I've just put it out of my mind. I'm not those Red Bull athletes. That's not it. I'm not that. I would just admire them, but I can't
jump. You don't have to do shit. You're just gonna be there and enjoy it.
I'm sure I am of the majority here. I'm sure more people understand where I'm coming from. It's not, I think in this conversation, it's less like you're trying to reason, but you're of like a very few select people in the world that have done this. Like, it's a fear thing. I don't know.
Well,
Jumping from a plane free fall like that as well, just falling, like that feeling.
It's awesome. Yeah, I know all you fucking smart asses in the chat. There are way more people crossing the road. Of course. The whole point is to show Celine that skydiving is very safe. Okay?
Celine doesn't want to leave it to chance or what ifs. Correct. I want to at least live more of my life before I jump out of a plane. How about that?
You do what?
Like maybe later on in my life when at least I'm like, okay, if I go out now.
Celine, you're gonna love it.
How many jumps have you done? I know you've done a few.
86.
And all of them have been fine. No issues.
Yeah, once I had my lines twisted, but that's okay. That's nothing.
See?
Yeah, but that didn't do anything. I untwisted it and we were good. No problem.
I'll tell you the one, you know what I might get into? Scuba diving. I really want to go see like shipwrecks and stuff.
Okay, then just don't do scuba diving and skydiving within 24 hours or you'll die. But as long as you leave a longer break.
What's the science behind that?
You're going to be pressure. Air pressure.
Right. But yeah, I'm more willing to go underwater and like get over my fear of like deep depths of the sea. Like that is me overcoming a fear. So I'm sort of going to look into that, scuba diving. So that's like same level, skydiving, scuba diving. I feel like it's similar levels of craziness.
No.
No?
No.
Oh, wait.
The drilling is back.
They're back. Wait, let's stop.
All right, S-Grants, you're annoying as fuck. I'll give you a little timeout here. I'm gonna be nice and give you a 5-minute timeout. If you come back in 5 minutes and you're annoying again, I'll give you the permaban. The good old permaban. Okay, now we gotta have a poll up. Roman, can we get a poll to see would you rather and then skydive, scuba dive, or both? Actually, let's not even do the both option. Let's just do, would you rather skydive or scuba dive? Let's see. Let's keep it simple. Keeping it simple. Yeah, easily pizza, Johnny. Easily. Glenn says stay at home. Well, your house can collapse too. You can just die staying at home. You can just choke on a piece of bread and die. Easy. Celine's like, when is this drilling gonna stop? Please stop. Instant death or slow drowning? Ugh. I prefer the instant death. Have you ever tried wingsuit base jumping, Nick? NQ contract killer? No, I haven't. However, I do want to do that. That's really cool. Show like, Nick, can you trade while skydiving? It's gonna be tough because in the plane you're not gonna have any cell service. So in the air, unfortunately, you won't.
Wait.
Well,
I think it stopped again. Oh.
Victoria Faith, why are talking this shit now? Well, because it's interesting. And you say just trade, bro. Well, Roman, let's go to my screen. I am in a trade. What do you want me to do? I'm in profit. What should I do?
Nick, wait, can you tell me if is the drilling unbearable? Like, can you handle it or should I mute again?
You can stay unmuted. It's fine.
It's fine?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just putting you up. I can't even barely hear you. I'm just putting my volume up.
Now I'm gonna whisper so she can't hear me, chat.
I can hear that. I just put my volume up.
See, skydiving wins the poll. 61% versus 39%. Shoo. Kiss, how about those cows and their hats? Excellent question. So, chat, did you know that cows do not wear sunscreen? Instead, they wear huge cowboy hats, bigger hats than Mexicans wear sombreros, and they actually protect themselves from the sun that way. Bet you didn't know that, chat. Victoria, did you know that?
Sling earphones.
Yeah, that would help.
Would headphones help?
Of course. Then you hear us better.
But then would it change anything for you?
No.
Oh, there's no point. I can get over it. It's just whether you guys can still hear me over this drilling.
Thank you, Contract Killer. How many stomachs does a cow have? Ah, fuck, I got that question before. Or I heard that question before, and I don't know the answer. Tell me. How many?
8.
8. It's a lot.
How many stomachs? Eight stomachs.
8.
I kind of hear the drilling with my headphones. Also, some of you can actually hear it. They're not demolishing though. That's the thing. They're meant to be building, but the structure is already up. They need to be painting, not drilling.
It sounds like they're demolishing though.
Oh my gosh.
Sure does.
30 more minutes. Is it still bearable? I wonder if I should try the headphone hack. Roman, do you think using a headphone mic would like drown out any of the background or no?
We can try it.
It wouldn't help?
Now, do you have AirPods?
Yeah, but I have no idea where they are. I have noise cancelling.
AirPods will cancel it out.
Well, I have noise cancelling over ears. Should I just put them on?
Yeah, try. I mean, there's nothing wrong with trying.
All right, let's just try this.
T. Bogart says, why did the chicken cross the road to get away from Celine's drillers?
Hey, they're not my drillers. All right, I'm just going to connect.
Let's see. What the fuck is Crypto says next to your DS? Funny.
Can you hear me?
Yep. Can you hear me?
Okay. Yep.
Good.
This is so weird.
Yeah. I mean, now it's just going to sound a little bit worse than your actual mic, but it's going to cancel out the drilling.
In fact, the drilling has stopped as soon as I connected my headphones.
Cancel it. Robot says DJ Celine. Yeah. Do some DJing. Come on, DJing Celine.
Okay, no, I'm going to disconnect because it's actually a worse sound quality now for me. I'm going to disconnect. Hold on.
Womp womp. No. Let's see. Okay, 62% of you guys would rather go skydiving than scuba diving. That makes sense. That makes a hell of a lot of sense. Okay, I'm negative again now on the shorts. And now, for those of you that are going to ask that question, I'm not going to add into it right now. And Celine is gone.
Can you guys hear me?
She's back. Yep, now I can hear you.
What happened to my camera?
I don't know. I don't know. No, you're just cutting in and out.
What is going on?
Maybe leave the room and come back.
1 second, Roman, I'm just going to leave. I'll be back.
And she's gone. Peter Johnny says, if Celine goes scuba diving, I'll change my job title to underwater wood welder. What? Big moment clip. Are they brother and sister? Yes, we are brother and sister.
Oh my god.
Mo. The drill hit the back of her webcam. Oh, that might be it. That might actually be it.
Nick's things like that one colleague. I wish I didn't have to deal with these freaking drillers.
I mean, just go over there, give them 100 euros each and tell them to stop for an hour.
I should.
Easy
I can
fix.
actually just like walk out of this balcony and yell at them, but then the chat will judge me for that.
Easy fix. Yeah, Johnny, I'm with you. Skydiving is awesome.
Where did that poll come in? Okay, so 62% skydive over scuba dive. Wow.
Glance Aya says, close that trade, big dog. No, big dog, I'm not gonna close that trade.
Elias, do you speak Greek? A little, actually. Just a little to get me by. 2 bottles of vodka, you reckon, Risto? Actually, the Greeks love their coffee. I think coffees even would shut them up.
Just throw some tzatziki at them.
Oh, that. Is Celine thinking of shorting? Well, Emil, I'm now hoping to get that sweep that I was waiting for earlier. Previous day high, Asia high, and then that daily bearish gap tap. And then shorting out of there would be the trade for me. We'll see. I was in a short before. I did manage to take TP and then a break even on the rest. So I did catch some of this drop. And now we're reclaiming like all of that drop that we had. And looks like we are going to finally get the sweep. Bungee jumping is fun too. Oh yeah. Well, the same people that would skydive, I'm sure would be fine bungee jumping. But bungee jumping, I have heard more horror stories from. Come on, Nick.
That one I haven't done yet.
Would you?
Yeah, in a place where it's actually safe, not like in
Mexico,
in Brazil from that bridge or something, but
yeah.
when in a place, I mean, in Switzerland, there's like the James Bond bungee jump that he did in the James Bond movie. So I would probably do that one.
That's cool. Miyazaki. Sling just rejoined. Wi-Fi disconnected. Will you enter another trade again? Yes, potentially another short, but you guys will. I will talk through it if I'm seeing a setup. Nothing yet for me.
Now there's something loud going on outside my house.
I see. I can't hear that.
Sounds more like a helicopter, though.
Yeah, I can't hear it.
Oh yes, Johnny. Yep, that one would be cool.
What? Without a parachute?
Yeah, there's like this.
You people are nuts.
There's like this world record of a guy who does that. I probably can't show it on stream because YouTube's gonna probably flag us as dangerous content. But if you type in skydive without parachute into net, it's such a cool jump.
Wouldn't he like have bounced right off the net?
No, it's a big net.
Wow, I would actually like to see that. That sounds pretty crazy.
Go on YouTube, watch it.
Screw it. I'll just watch it now. Skydive. Nope.
Fahad, why don't you trade gold? Any specific reason? Yes, because gold doesn't have a limit down. NQ has a limit down, so you're somewhat protected.
Oh, that guy is crazy. Oh, other people jump with him. Are they like for safety?
Just in the beginning.
But how does he keep his body like upright? He keeps spinning.
Yeah, I mean, you have control over your body when you skydive. And Paul's burner, what are you trading? I'm trading NQ. No, Johnny, I would never do that. 0% chance. Want to get in a cage with great whites? Fuck no. Nope.
Oh my gosh, he just literally...
It's pretty cool, eh?
I just saw him drop. Yeah, that's insane. And he like landed it like spot on. How did he even control where he was gonna land?
You can control your body. You can fly in the direction you want to fly. It's pretty cool. That's the cool stuff about skydiving.
Pretty cool. Also, because where else are you going to see those heights from? Like, I don't know. It's pretty insane.
Well, Johnny, they're not in the same cage as you until they are.
Oh, so we would
never get me to do that. There's 0% chance I would do that. 0.
Yeah, that is scary. You guys are in America trading London? No, we are not. That's why we are trading London. Nick's in Europe and I'm in Greece. Nick's in Switzerland, sorry.
That's like Greece is not in Europe here.
We're both in Europe.
Of course, Johnny, I saw that video where the shark got in. Yup.
You guys doing 2 winners again? Yeah. Nick, should we do the 250Ks again?
I mean, we already gave away a bunch of accounts. We gave away 4 already, so probably.
Or maybe just 1.
Probably chill a bit.
Chilling.
Ani is asking, Celine, what made you move to Greece from Australia?
A few things. I wanted to be in the European time zone, and so I mean, it helps that my fiance, like, he is Greek by ethnicity, so he was able to get citizenship. Although he's born in Australia like me, Greece is a lot easier for us to move to. But also, I mean, Greece is a good location. It's close to everything. Like, we're not so east. There are other countries that are much further east. Like, at least I can still train to most of the countries, because travel is also a big part of why I moved. I want to be able to travel around Europe easily, freely. Like, what else? Greece, the beach. I love the beach. So it had to have been a country in Europe that had beach. And Greece sees a lot of sun all year round. So the weather overall is pretty goated in Greece. That's about it. The food, the culture, all of that.
The food?
The tzatziki. For the tzatziki.
No, not the food. Greece is nice, but not for the food.
As if not for the food. It's just literally meat and salad and yogurt. And some pita bread. That's literally all the
Pita bread is
cuisine
good. But fucking yogurt and tzatziki, like, ugh.
Delicious.
Nope.
And the seafood is so good here too as well. The seafood is delicious.
The seafood.
All the foods. The sun, the sand, and the construction. Yeah, that's why I came here.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you have no idea about food.
Chicken says, if you don't like Greek food, okay, weird, but hating on it, shame on you. Well, Chicken.
Chicken, your best friend doesn't eat olives? How? How do you deal with this guy?
Fucking olives and tzatziki.
I could go for olives, like a little snack. Like, just like some people would go for like chips or biscuits, and I would go for olives.
He says it's tough. You know what's tough? Eating tzatziki.
That is a terrible friend, Chicken. Terrible. You might like the other dips. There are like cheesy dips you'd probably like. I hate those ones.
Cheesy dips?
You love cheese, right? Because you're Swiss.
Yep.
So I'm saying in Greece.
That's probably like goat cheese and shit like that.
What, you don't like goat cheese?
Oh, fuck no. Feta cheese? Ugh. I tell you, Greek
this guy, Chicken, he just hates Greece.
Greek food is literally my arch enemy. It's like,
you should be allowed to travel to Greece. They should stop you at the border.
Is the worst. Chicken, I'll just bring 5 guys to your wedding. Like, if you ever get married, I'll just bring 5 guys.
You should not even have a table at that wedding.
I'll bring ketchup and I'll bring my own food. You do your stuff. I don't give a shit.
You have no idea. Next to Italian cuisine, Greek cuisine, we've tested it in the chat. That Mediterranean cuisine is top. Of course, Italian. But
Italian is the best. Zero
yeah,
that.
Italian is top. And then next to that, or just below, is definitely Mediterranean. Can't believe it. What do you eat when you come here? Have you ever had bugazza? Chicken, has he had bugazza?
What?
Chicken. Tell me Nick has tried bugazza.
What is that?
It can be savory or sweet. It's like a pie. It's a bakery.
Oh yeah, that one I had. That one is good. That's really good.
Did you have the sweet one with cream?
Yeah. That one is really good, yes.
Oh, that's delicious.
Yeah, I agree. That's good. He explains it in Swiss German. Splitterteig creme teil. Yeah, no, that's good. Okay, congratulations. Greek cuisine has one good thing.
Oh, you didn't try any of the other... What else have they got? Wait, seafood? Octopus? Did you try octopus in Greece?
Not in Greece, but octopus is good, yeah.
Yeah, Greece do probably the best octopus.
Well, I would say octopus is octopus, no matter where you go.
No. They have a way of grilling it on the charcoal with a bit of lemon. Oh, delicious. I'm starving. You got yourself a receipt there, I think.
Already took it. I got so many receipts already. It's gonna be awesome.
Official Chris, would you need inversion as well or just tap the high sling? Yes, always executing off an inversion for value gap. But yeah, align with that. I need the sweep of the highs, but must have an inversion for me to be considering the trade.
Here's your sweep coming.
Whoa, there's the sweep. There it is. So now we have officially tapped into this daily bearish gap, swept those equal highs, or traded above them, and now I'm looking for another short. And the drillers are back. Right on time.
The drillers are back. Let me refresh the like count really quick. We are sitting at 1,400 something, so we're getting there. We are getting there. Tatum says, you didn't mention the most important. It is so cheap.
Greece is, compared to other European countries, it is quite cheap. It's like you're coming as a foreigner, yes. Like, I mean, for the locals, it's not, but yes, as a foreigner, it is.
I mean, that's the benefit of living in an expensive country. Literally almost everywhere you travel, it's just cheap.
Yeah.
Love it.
Yeah, you have that bonus, having the Swiss franc.
Wait, what? Chicken, why did you tag this guy and said you will ban him in real life? What happened?
Is that because he's spamming?
Oh, he is spamming. Ah, thanks for letting me know, Chicken. Okay, I'm giving him a 5
like, bird, fuck your
timeout.
call straight, bro.
Isildur, how much cheaper compared to Switzerland? Oh, much cheaper. Going out to a restaurant in Greece is basically free for me.
Oh, it's basically free.
It is, actually.
For real.
I mean, if you go to a restaurant there and you order, let's say, a burger in a restaurant, how much is that?
Well, let me use, like, I went to a nice restaurant for a pizza on the weekend. That's a pizza, a drink, 2 pizzas, a salad, and a drink. It's like €60. That's a nice restaurant.
60 in Greece for 2 pizzas? That's a lot.
A salad. Oh, wait, this is a nice place.
Like how nice?
Like, I don't know, not like, it's Italian wood-fired pizzas, not like fine dining, but it's like 2 pizzas, wood-fired, a salad, and a drink.
Well, that seems expensive to me, to be honest.
I don't know, it was like €18 pizza, and then like the salad was probably like 12, 15. Salads aren't cheap.
Sounds like a lot. It sounds like you got...
Wait, when was the last time you went out in Greece?
Well, look what Chicken just wrote then. €130 for 6 people, and we ate a lot of food.
That's true, we paid 130 for 6. Wait, that sounds cheap.
See, Chicken says 2 pizzas with a salad, you got ripped off, Celine. That's what I'm thinking. It's way too expensive for Greece.
Guys, I was at a nice place.
Yeah, but
Okay, then you can also like, let me think of like a burger place. I haven't actually really.
like
gone
for
to
that price, you can actually get pizza in Switzerland.
No, I couldn't go out in Switzerland for €60.
Yeah, you
As
could.
two of
could.
us. No, you couldn't. No.
Yeah,
I paid that at McDonald's,
I mean,
Nick.
I live here. Of course you can.
Did Jonathan make the pizza for me? Shut up, chicken. It was a nice place. Hold on. I will show you. You think it's cheap. I swear it's not. This was in Thessaloniki, the city center. So, okay, there are like definitely more expensive places you can eat there. But also, if you go to a tavern, chicken, you probably went to a tavern. Like 130 for 6 of you sounds too cheap. You can get a mix. It really depends what you want.
We're at 1,484 likes, chat. 16 likes away from another gibby. Pavan says, why are you just wasting time speaking rubbish? Well, Pavan, what else do you want us to do? I'm in a trade. I can't do anything right now. I'm in this trade. I'm waiting for Bryce to do something. And in the meantime, should we just stay quiet? Should we just shut up?
Chicken says you'll get more local as time passes by. It's okay, Celine. Maybe they just, you know what? Apparently there's a rumor here that if you ask for the English menu, the prices are different than the Greek menu. So maybe that's what's happening. Maybe I'm getting the more expensive prices, but no, this was like in the heart of the center. But yeah, it's definitely cheap. I'm naming that restaurant as like, that's not average. That is more on the pricier side. You can definitely go out and eat in Greece, guys, for like, I don't know, for 2 people, €40.
Oh,
That's
chicken, thanks for the trade call out.
If the 1 minute FPG forms as instant shorts. Shut up, chicken.
Source, trust me, bro.
Even he's making fun now.
No, he's making fun of the other guy, not of you.
Oh, I didn't read his comment.
Wow, Celine, wow.
I thought he was making fun of me because I said
I'm gonna defend my boy here. You just read it wrong. He wasn't fighting you.
Chicken. All right. I didn't read the comment you were responding to. I thought you were coming out for me. Just getting hated on. All right. Sorry, chicken. My bad. That's hilarious then because I didn't read the comments.
F. Krantz is back. He's already walking on thin ice. He's now saying, Nick, how about share knowledge rather than chit chat? Sure. Have any questions, S. Krantz? I'm happy to answer them. Dutch is going to be a bulk babbling fucking education. I'm not Wikipedia. So if you want to know something, ask. I'm happy to answer.
Chicken says you're right, Celine. After the sweep. That's right, chicken. Get it right. I'm waiting for the sweep.
The Congo hut sweep. Where is Congo, by the way?
Gone forever. They spoke English, Rowie. Celine, when you paid €60 for pizza, it wasn't just pizza. It was 2 pizzas and a nice salad. Salads are expensive here. You spoke Greek or another language. They spoke English. It wasn't a very low.
Johnny has an important question. He's asking question. What is your favorite topic to chit chat to, Nick? That's a great question. Pizza. Expensive pizza. And skydiving. L66, why no stop loss? Well, that's a great question. Simply because if you enter a position with 1 micro, right, which is extremely safe, market can go against you 2,000 points and you're still going to be in it and it's not going to blow the account. I prefer to go in small and then work my position, meaning once it goes against me, a certain amount of points, it depends how it moves, right? It's not like a robotic system. It's more like it depends how it goes against me. I add into it, I get a better average. I work my average up, go into profit, scale some out, go in drawdown again, scale some in, go in profit again, scale some out. And I just work this position the entire day. I'm not one who waits for an A+ setup and takes a hard stop and a hard TP. I'm always working and managing my positions, so that's why I trade without a stop loss.
That's probably the most the chat has ever gotten out of that explanation, Nick.
No, I explained that a lot of times already.
No, I'm just kidding. Chat, we're still making notes. We're still making notes on his strategy.
Mm-hmm. Why are you lying?
What sweep are you waiting for, Celine? Previous 15-minute high now. We've tapped into daily bearish gap. There is now the Asia high sweep on NQ. Previous day high has also been tapped. So now I'm just waiting for like a 15-minute sweep and sell. Did we?
Celine.
What?
That's crazy. Jonathan said Celine didn't send me a pizza after that reel. I sent her that if she sees it, she needs to send it.
I can't be having favorites on the stream. I can't be sending Johnny a pizza and not freaking Kiz and Leia and all my other favorites. I can't. Sorry, I don't have favorites. I mean, but Johnny, not going to happen.
Well, Eskrans, if you have seen questions that were unanswered, I mean, we attempt to get to everybody's comments, but at this point, I mean, there are 1,600 viewers. There's so many comments coming in. Like we attempt to get to everybody, and sometimes we miss them. If some comments get missed, just ask them again. We'll get to them. Don't you worry.
All right. Well, we have actually smashed 1,500 likes, apparently.
Did we?
That's a record.
Holy moly. You know what? We are going to give away another 2 accounts. Because new record. New record. All right. Well done, chat. So, if you want to participate in this giveaway, this record-breaking giveaway, then all you got to do is like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I send the link to the Google form, fill out that Google form, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you will get disqualified. If you ask me where the form is, what shape or form I'm in, or any sorts of questions like that, you're going to get disqualified. If you ask me how to join the giveaway, you're going to get disqualified. And yeah, then everything you got to do is be lucky and you might win. Let's see. You're going to have, let's call it 40 seconds to fill out the form.
Well. 4 giveaways in today's stream. And a new viewer record.
That's the 5th one, no?
5th? No, we did.
Well, okay, it's a 4th separate giveaway, but it's the 5th and 6th account that we're giving away.
Yeah, sorry, no, I'm saying like 4 separate giveaways we've done. Viewer record also smashed. Like record smashed. We're killing it. It's only Monday.
Nice. Well done, London. Well done. Well done. Jerry, I trade 150k accounts. 150k. T3 metrics, do I ask? Well, that's up to you. Muyuzaki says, I see Nick more than my family. Hey, I mean, priorities. Priorities set straight. Ashley, will Scott be on today? I think so, yeah. He should be back. He should be back. All right, giveaway winner.
Let's do it.
Give you guys a bit more time. Oh, the driller's
drilling's back.
Oh, that's a big one. We got 818 people in the giveaway. Ooh, it's gonna break the wheel again. It's definitely gonna break the wheel again.
I'm just gonna have to go mute for this one again. The drillers are back.
All right. Courtney says, I thought it was a drum roll. The drilling. That's funny. Let's see. How do you prioritize managing between different EOS and fund accounts? I trade, official Chris, I trade the accounts, sometimes copy traded, not all of them, like 3 of them, and usually separately. I mean, 5 accounts is not that hard to manage. How can I participate in the giveaway? Well, Yash, you are disqualified. All right, let's see. Boom. First winner. We're going to do 2 winners. Both are going to get 50k accounts. We don't know which ones yet, but both are going to get 50k accounts. The first one is Jawini. Jawini, type something in the chat. Let's see you there. Jawini says, yippee! Hey, congrats. And then second winner is gonna be Pip Tick Dream. Pip Tick Dream, congratulations. Type something in the chat.
I give up. I don't think these drillers are going to stop, so I'm just unmuting.
Big dream. Uh-oh, you gotta claim it. You gotta claim it. Pip Tick Dream.
Pip Tick Dream.
You have 37 seconds left to claim it. Gotta type something in the chat. Pip Tick Dream. Come on, don't miss this opportunity. Do not miss the opportunity.
No, how many more seconds? 20 seconds?
Not many. 17. Until this 5-minute candle has 3 minutes left. Pip Tick Dream. It's a free account, but you gotta claim it.
You won an account.
And he missed it.
Damn.
No. Oh, wait.
He just said yo.
Okay, no. This yo guy is somebody who tried to claim it in his name.
He
So
changed his
you
name.
who said yo, Pip Tick Dream, you're gonna get a permaban. See ya, bye. Because you tried to
Wow.
claim a giveaway account that wasn't yours. Pip Tick Dream, the actual one. Okay, so chat, look, Pip Tick Dream was late. You missed the official deadline. However, I want to give the chat the power to decide what's going to happen. So Roman, can we get a poll up? Should Pip Tick Dream get his account? Yes or no? He was like 5 seconds late.
Wait, was the real Pip Tick here?
The real Pip Tick is here, but he was like 5 seconds late.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna have a poll, and then the chat decides.
I think majority are going with yes. But let's see the poll.
It looks like the chat says yes. Yeah.
These drillers.
We have a bunch of no's as well. Let's see. Okay, should Pip Tick Tim? What the fuck? That's not his name. But doesn't matter. I'm gonna leave it up.
Pip Drick Tim.
Pip Tick Tim. It's actually Pip Tick Dream, but okay. Okay, 70% says yes. Okay, Pip Tick Dream, you're getting your account. Congrats.
All right, awesome.
Congrats. Now, let's see, first of all, what accounts you guys are getting. It's going to be 50K.
We are so fired. We've given away that many accounts today.
Hey, but we also hit the best numbers, so nobody can fire us.
That's true.
All right, 50K account, but which one is it going to be?
All right, here we go.
Growth account. 50K growth account for both of you guys. All you got to do to claim your account is add your email address to your YouTube channel description. Make sure it's your Tradeify login email, and we're going to be sending you your free accounts within the next 7 days. Congratulations. All right. Well, with that being done, I'm still in my short. I'll update you on it in the New York stream, which starts at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. Put a big fat W in the chat if you love this stream. Put an L in the chat if you hated every single aspect of it. Congratulations to all the winners of the giveaways today. We gave away a total of, 6 accounts?
Yeah, we did 6 today.
Yeah. So definitely come back tomorrow, 7 a.m. UK time for another London session stream. And I'll see you later in New York. Now, before we leave, Celine, any last motivational words for the chat?
I'm going to keep it super short because the drillers are getting louder here and it's just crazy. But I mean, W's for patience. If you guys didn't take any trades today, obviously, like, There wasn't the cleanest shorts there, but I mean, stay disciplined. There will be other trades later today. Make sure you're taking your A+ setups. What else? Make sure you're there for the New York stream. And other than that, I will be in my new location for the next few days for the stream. So don't freak out. I will be here.
With good internet.
With great internet, and I'll be joining you from there tomorrow. So peace out. Enjoy the rest of the trading day, and I'll catch you guys 7 a.m. UK tomorrow.
Peace.
Bye.